to about 45 media house ever since the budget is ready to be settled. By the way, you are asking questions brilliantly. I don't think most media houses have.
We are suffering now. We are ATM. We are making more for Etumayi. Na ya mamu was Eastern region one more, a Hong Kong more. The amount of food free at the bench. Yes, and the first very. I mean, it is one of the fast, a very intelligent question. But people like you need to be highly esteemed in the society.
Or damn for Temu has said, Kenyamo mobile, ya. And can one MPP. Young can't some many pen who say, I deal with, and yet to be a customer if you catch in a home. If you want a match, your crown. Second piece for our mobile. The media hand me radio neda. Mon one can of coreno. And many pen who say, we MPP ni now moya. As I say, as a song near Madi of a boyan. A challenges a back Eastern region. Nama Eastern region has for sweating me up for Montu.
Fire Mamon. They will be Bia. What in the Sabetla and Kai FM. Now Becca and Sam I am free ready at and Kai FM. So no. Yamingu Animas. Yami on sorry one now. Demu. On Fanny Jano ain't Jumani now. Bompire Mamo Samuamu Jumanimu. Bonibian two will be at the Biarada. I want to pray for you that none of you will die untimely. That no power of darkness will be able to destroy the work of your hand. I release power and grace upon that FM station. And I decree and I declare this morning that whosoever goes to any camp to offer any evil prayer against AHENKAN933FM, the fire of God will destroy them. May the Lord continue to shield you and you will never know shame. In Jesus' name, amen.
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN933FM. Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN933FM.
Say, there is nothing bigger than AHENKAN FM. For me, AHENKAN is one of the greatest media houses in Ghana because you ask the right questions.
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN933FM.
Say, there is nothing bigger than AHENKAN FM. For me, AHENKAN is one of the greatest media houses in Ghana because you ask the right questions.
Ghana Adisie, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ache, Ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Adisie, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ache, Ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Words fail me when it comes to you. To say thank you seems just not enough. But what more can I say that you haven't heard? Yahweh. What more can I do that you haven't seen? Yahweh, why you're in Santa? Hey, when you're me, Grandma, when you are coming, what hits us? I don't see what for you I am. Where do I come in? May the meditations of my heart be acceptable to you.
Ghana Adisie, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ache, Ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Yahweh, why you're in Santa? Why you're in Santa? May the meditations of my heart be acceptable.
Ghana Adisie, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ache, Ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
May the meditations of my heart be acceptable to you. Why you're in Santa? May the meditations of my heart
be acceptable to you. Where do I begin? Where can I stop? Can I say can I say thank you enough? A million words cannot define my depth of gratitude. Words fail me when it comes to you. Me, my heart do the talking,
and though I speak no words,
my hands are waiting to be. Oh, I want Jane. Meditations of my heart
be acceptable.
Ghana Adisie, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ache, Ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
May the meditations of my heart be acceptable to you. Yahweh, Why ye rain Santa? May my heart do the talking.
And though I speak no words,
may my heart of gratitude be heard.
Yea, though I speak no words,
my hands are waiting to give you praise.
The meditations of my heart.
Meditations of my
heart.
Meditations of my heart.
Be acceptable to you.
Why ye Santa? May the meditations of my heart be acceptable to you. Why ye Santa? May the meditations of my heart
be acceptable to you.
And indeed, another beautiful brand new Friday morning is here. The 10th day of February 2023. I don't pray me Jidi wo Kristo Yesu Musa bibia boko de. Be acceptable. Ade ba ko amadwen ho fiti ahomache no a ebepem sa brain ni say ohwe eye the formation of human beings. Babia enipa no ehya eye bema no oba no makohia omo esua science ne beka kire wo say nsuo bi na ababa behia man ni produce egg na mema no so a produce their friend say sperm na omomienu nyina produce wi a da bi mabako ne mo kakransa nsa ne abe no so Enti a man produce egg na a man so a produce sperm tiade pesa wodi wani edi akiri kakra. But in the formation of a human being no obe go through stages. Enti wone nanemu from egg no sperm no mahia na keka frafra na fiwaba zygote fetus hwan embryo ne ekeka ho unim mu amukukusuesua bro ayi science no ne ameka mu ya aware. But the question am ibisa ne say egg any sperm any hia ye any formi nipa any na bones no sisi a wo so wonsani mu a uti bones se bones wo wonsani mu sa bones ne fi hin fa ne ba be se mu. Because you see a egg any sperm ne can boom and a form me nipa. Na why na obeti biaka jam say we di kosia abodompemu da. Why ya? What di kosia abodompemu? Ana sperm no aye ka ho asem no wahunu se ya na dompe bi ginegina mu ana. Iti anopa yi ma dwene ho sa se na nyankopon su ni hu ohu pa o. Ohwe sane nipa ye fa so ye de nyinse nipa wo nipa na nipa ba be develop na dompa banimu na moja banimu na wanya nya mmowere ne sa anoma ni nyina no na wanya esia kese a den. Itina mi bisa say dompe ni free hin fa ne ba be wura kosua ni mu. Because according to science no science for say kosua any sperm any kabom na a forming nipa. But at the end of the day no at the end of 9 months no yenya nipa dompe woni mu yenya nipa moja woni mu yenya nipa ensuo woni mu yenya nipa owosen yenya nipa owo mmowere yenya nipa owo tirinwi na kosua no tirinwi wo mu ana. Nyankopon we na yeda so adi na chi a wa hye yembo se eyire so kire so se den onwu ani mu ase onso wote ho onte wo ho ase. Yes, sum say Nyankopon we ya oyonwanwani enti anopa yi wahunu mfoni na matwa akere wo no me ma dwene ho amenti ase enti magya ma won so onso to aso dwene ho ne hwade say yes say a sperm any kosia any kabom any de form nipa sperm na kosia no a e kabom mu no enumpe bi ginegina mu etirimi bi ginegina mu emowure bi ginegina mu emoja bi ginegina mu ensuo bi ginegina mu intestine e bi ginegina mu ana hwe nipa Nyankopon se de waye yen enya anwanwade anopa isa Nyankopon no wasoma me wo nkyɛn se oye onwanwani Nyankopon na obeya anwanwade wo wabrabo mu ate emo aba mu odia ne se koso ne di nachi na hunu se oso sani odi wani bebu se Nyankopon tie ne sa pepepe na obeya adwuma wo wabrabo mu anopa mi di mani abu se oyo nwanwani me anopa mi di mani abu se oyo mintimrim dade ako oye dade aye mo ne kachire oye osrebo sekyerema oreda de mono da oya mansan hene bransam mi di mani abu se oye bransam edukata were Nyankopon mi di mani abu se onu ni Nyankopon a osum fidie epoase na oyi atwen na oyi apramre na oyi asono woye nyame mimi wuru ni se oye onwanwani Nyankopon a wo ma anidaso anopa yiminim se ne wo hunu Nyankopon no but me nia mi hunu no oye onwanwani ankasa It is a nipa nyina so am nsum se nyame no a ena no Joshua say me ni mabusua de ye be so asum Yankopon no san so yonwanwani anopa yi ye san ba wo nchen biem hya ne so foma me Maakye ena ye de ba wo nchen a free break up him san no pattern ebebo for God encounter. It is, of course, your official Easton's biggest, your most syndicated political, social, and current affairs talk show. Nebraso, Maakye. Catch the union on some country in here. Say Jumedi and your pen, I'm a pen, I in a pen. Matured. Yes, Inconia. On behalf of the team, Udi AHENKAN933FM Yaboa, Ajimpa Hene Kofi Mensah Kobike Kwame Asante Billy Man. I don't pense yes in Konyo Medofo. Midin Sasaye. Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. I don't pay Kaya Hwe. Near Nada Yankopon. Yeah, Dano. Yeah, man swatch the Viase. Yeah, kind of cuss ye na money ye na nwanwa de. And I know you to Nino or say anwanwa dia. Otide eyi na Kristo aye. Insentreni aye buru adwene ntiase so na waye. Onipa ntimi nti Nyankopon ase da wo. Ebi ade ne ame dwendwen ho yi. Me se mi firi dwen ho ache. Mi hyase ahomache no. Wabra imi ye me small morning devotion no. And it see me trimu say na se wutie science fu yi omo no omo de omo so omo ye nimdefo omo agbawura de ande emu yi. Wutie omo ani nsem omo kan. Na wo hwe kwan ye nipa fa so be ye nipa. Na achire no enipa benya yafunu enipa benya ato kakra obenya aboyere kakra onyi nyina na saade ni nyina enyi na eye kese tamu ayesa no ye de ensa so ho no ayese we ye ubolobolo na onyi nyina na ubolobolo no so onyi eye nwanwa oye nyame so ye nyame dia na no pay ye danase oye nyame dia na no pay ye ka che ne say ye danase a ensada ye danase a na efiri akoma mu na ye danase sanse wo ye nyame enye se ye danase se wabo ye ho ba bia ma de ache no ye danase se wo ye nyame oyo nwanwani kese oye wo twiri dia mpon a wo de wo ho twiri no a wo mpa hwe de biara da oye nyame o mani daso adi nti anope ye da na se ni a hye din kronkron ani monyam awrade ye da wase yi ni esen gya ne de ya hye wonsan ye ahoho ne amamfrafo ye sere wo Kristo Yesu ya na muntu ya kone abadi wa hye yembo say you will be with us in all changing seasons of life. You will order our steps in our going out and in our coming in. What say yam bossa obeboy ho ban obekra yen wo nsayam obegie frotamfo ne na den ne nsusu ye nyina mu awrade ye jade hye wonsam adom no so mayen ye kese we yabrabom ne ye beye musu esan amane aban amane eka eja yi free en so watimi hu yanka awrade yi free en so se esun brabo no bonefo ahyehye ade amayen awrade yi ni nyina free en so e wo Jesus Christ udine mu and that day boy ho ban na kan yen ho e we Yesu din mu ma me fa wie mo bre nsem fa nto aso fo na fe yen ko yen anim enne se ni wie mo bre e be si akonie wo se me kan che se wie anu ano pe ya wo sha ase abo anopa ya wia na sha ase abo den ene na mu a wia pram to bre mu no be miam akopim eye anwumre onyunu bedwo ama wiem nso adwudin ene nti ya na wa hye ne nso e di amame e wiem obrase na ebisa ko ne da mu ni nyina no afi yem famfa ha
Ghana Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ache Ediba AHENKAN933FM Ghana Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ache Ediba AHENKAN933FM
Power anymore Adi nyina Oni midina Neradi nimme Oni midina Enti de enantie eya adwempa ne akoma pa na wotwe we nyina no yesua free Jordan be pemene ese wo se ye de adwempa ne akoma pa enante se wo de adwempa ne akoma pa nante a enipa bebo wudua enya wo de adwempa ne akoma pa nante a enipa be kanche enipa be ye bia but Ewurade kan wo ho Ewurade adom be do so ama wo sansa adwempa ne akoma pa na ade nam me pa che we nne ye de asam yi ba wie ye ne ne me ka kire wo ne se fa adwempa ne akoma pa efa bo brawate aware na se no fa adwempa ne akoma pa tena ho wate adwuma ni mu no fa adwempa ne akoma pa tena ho wate oman ni mu no fa adwempa ne akoma pa tena mu wate me pa cho asore ho fa adwempa ne akoma pa fa tena ho wate efie no a wuti mu no fa adwempa ne akoma pa fa tena ho wate na se yade adwempa ne akoma pa etena fie no a yetimu no a yemfa nhye etirim se fie no enyame na misi ye eni nti ye se kura mfa me ho mesha ase misiesie se cement bag ba ko pempo ena misika be so a meto na ma pe mesinfo no mo asiesie fie no eno ne adwempa ne akoma pa se enipa hunu se efie no a mekotena mu no ewo mu se nyame dia but me dia to me ho so se menhwe ma efie no emu ngu mitiri so Nyankopɔn ni se wukura akoma pa ne adwempa saa afei wo bokwan tu ba bi akwan nie ma wo nso utumi si dan ne bi ade bi a wo besom na waye no waye ne yie no Awurade ma wo bi enti e bi ene obi adwuma na wo ye enti ya wadwen se nya wo botom sika ebegu engu e na wo ye no nkokwasa but de owura afiri wo ho ne se adwuma no a wo ye no nkokwasa ne se egu a wo nso anu aduane bebo wanu aduane e mo saa keke o wonso so untumi nya sika emia adwuma ni bida sane Nyankopɔn hye yete ade a wani gye ho na wo ye ne yie no Awurade Nyankopɔn fa so bokwan e de ma wo anopa yi aduane no a wo ye no fa adwempa ne akoma pa fa ye wate se wo de adwempa ne akoma pa de ye waduane no a onka nkyere me se wo koto ntosi moboye chakachaka no e de ababa ba ye because no na efo so odi adwempa ne akoma pa ebe nante aye adwuma no a me pa chawo entosi no beto papa no mako no beto papa no onko fa enkuko funu emfa nye utwoba no obeto nkoko no se ya akoko pa na opese ode ye nkwan dia obeto akoko a wote ase no wo nkwan fa adwempa ne akomapa na nte wate aware na se wode adwempa ne akomapa be na nte a obete be ma na se oba be ma nso bete wase mo bete mo maame no mo ase mo papa no mo bete wo mo ase na mo nso mo ma no mo bete wo mo ase won hye wo mo kete se chenchena we na me pesa we ye ma no awurade de wo mo fa ye nso de bai but wo mo nye ye ndia tie me se oba no onye wo de wo ye awurade dia wo ye ohwefo a wo hwe so e de ma nyankopon inja no pay dia me ka kire wo ne se yemfa adwempa ne akomapa nante yemfa mmobra bono no ne so me ba cha o fa adwempa ne akomapa nante so odi adwempa ne akomapa nante a brono na wote so no okọ a umfa wuti nsisi fam uru nipa a wo bebie wano no wakyea no wakasa nipa ho fa adwempa ne akomapa nante fa adwempa ne akomapa eden fa nante uti obi fie efie no hweso yie wate say what the adwempa ne akomapa nante efie wura light bill no nso wo betua bi onso amfa nwu tenant fo so fa adwempa ne akomapa nante Ghana adwempa ne akomapa ehonhom no ya yira eni nti se mi so mi nwamu a mepese mi bu no mi so mi nwamu a mepese mi mane hunu se meme ne pani no enkwada no so asorosoro wom so mo mmere mo ho ase emfa nhye ntumi ase ene wo di mensem adwempa ne akomapa. If there is something that I will pray fervently for somebody this morning, that will certainly be the good mind and a good heart. Me se bompa ese wurade mama adwempa ne akomapa wade nyina ho. So adwempa ne akomapa awurade ani munyam bedo so de ama ho. Ye be kenkan Bible no so kakra. Awurade ni me. Oni midina. Enti fi na koyi men so me sra awurade se wonno mo a me na me mfa adwempa ne akomapa emfa nye ma de nyina se me de adwempa ne akomapa sum nyame a afore na me ma obi nhye me se me mra me bo because me ti ase se yes a cheerful giver ene nyankopon ehira no ene nti se me de adwempa ene akomapa sum nyankopon a me ntena ase se osofo mfa fon frɛ me se na ko ene manhu asori o na adan munyai mama asori no obi anhwehwe me se me de adwempa ne akomapa de sum nyame a me hunu se me sum no man sum no yi nyame ena no na Elijah ye mensem nya kakabensem ono nko ane odifo a waka ne yankopon se hwe onko ane hwan odifo wudie wunnim ntia masiesie madifo a wo mokra de o muhunu ade wo mokra de mensem pa no wo beka kra de a chen ya wote ha wo ye nkokwa asa yi enti se wa adwene se wo ye nyamesom no nkokwa asa awurade yankopon se menka ntro so obegu animu ase so simple na wo no kra wo mfa ho sa o tie wo mfa ho nyankopon wo ye wo favor ena no na ye gusu a ye hwe Bible ni mu na ye bɔ mpa ye sire nyankopon se o mie ya adwene ne ente ase e wo na asɛm no ho e na o ma meti ase no wo kye se he se wo kra mpo me fra wo se brabe ye osomfo fama me a wo ne madomo se nyankopon fra wo se be ye osofo a it's a great service wa save you se nyankopon fra wo se brabe ye ni nipa wo som no se bia wo ba be ye kristoni na wo so ba be som ne bie no e ya kwanya kese wonim die ntia wa jew wa save you ed we free niema bi mu eniema bi anka be jewo nkwa free nsem tentem no nyankopon save de free mu enti se wo fra wo ba na adwuma ni mu a na odomo enti se wa ba mu a fa adwempa ne akomapa e fa ye adwuma no ate e ya na ade ba ko a Ghana fo wo ye ho a ma dwene ho adwen menti ase ne se onipa ne pa adwuma a ode da fam o pa adwuma no a ode da fam obeka nsem a wo wiase nyina obi kura timi ba se odi ese wa mame akatua kura wo pa adwuma no fela omde ba no method omde ba no wo de say wa ma me sika kra no a eye me nanam ha me kwampu kra ma nige se me no ye adwuma isa insemhunu keka sa bre na de fa na adwuma ne mu wie afei adwempa ne akoma pa no ye se wo de ba no na afiri atokwan so afei wo ba nsemhunu sa wafuna adwuma wie no nsemhunu akwadworo wo ba beye ne sa adwempa ne akoma pa no we hefa ayira wo man yi mu adwempa ne akoma pa ayira wo Ghana enti yesre Nyankopon no so onno mo ayen na yenkoso amfa adwempa ene akoma pa emfa nante na yenim se adwempa ne akoma pa ne de nante anadom no ebedo so de amayen say ya di adwempa ne akoma pa be nante a ye beti ase se ye wo oman bi wo hono mo a ye frɛ ye ho agidifo yi ebre ne so ye nyina be kwatwa hia ho ai ho de ye kwotena ho no mo afebɔ eni nti ye man niema bia ekoso wasase su no enye ye dedede wo hwese ni obi agye asase aboso obi agye asase akenten so a wodwene ho a wonte ase na tie ha. In the book of Romans chapter 12 the verse 2 Bible say, and be not conformed to this world. Now because of say ye ni akoma pa na adwompa nti no adwene say me firi abo ye media eyo obi adwene say ono no te so ye MP no MP akonwa ne ye ne dia eni ti wo a wo ne menya adwene obekasa tie mbia mema me nkrofo abebo tie we ni akoma pa ni adwompa so wa akoma pa wa adwompa obeti ase say konwa no a wote so no you are just holding it not for yourself, but you are holding it as a custodian. You hand it over to other people. Natia, or say, and be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. And be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. Eno, any asemwa anopai, Unyankopon, enam yeso si enkanchiro. Na watchu we nyina ni baby sua ye no yemfa koma pa, eni adwempa, emfa nante. Ye pa adwuma sene ya na ye brebre ye ho ase de da fom no Nyankopon ye adom ne ye nya adwuma no nso a ye nkoso a ne da fom na ye nya adwuma ne ye nya ne yie na afi ye nya ise ya ye anoma uyi ne firi nsuo mu a ye se ne ho wo no na no wo afi sene no brebre ne ho ase no ene na adwene se wanya employment no nya no ya ma no fair salary ntaye ne se waduru but ni wura firi se onipa na appoint ne betimi asa disappoint no ntaye wo so obre ne ho ase e wo so onya komapa e wo so onya dwempa na wo de ye adwuma no ni wura fi ehu but already hu ne yemobo ofrem ye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo ye de sport say to aso mu wi a ye besana babiem na watwe wei ne ye de bre wo no walk with a good mind and a good heart. Na Nyankopon obehira wo. Na munya afutu na mode ma momma no. Aware no a wo kɔ no, eyeyi a wo de ba fie. Unya kade ye wukunu dia. Enya adwem papa. Enya futu papa. Munya isa futu tantan no a mode ma momma no. Emema no so kwa ware pa ye. Sisi sa ne be sha ase aprichi. Emema no so kwa ware pa. Emema no kwa ware pa. Wo ye bema aware na wo kɔ no hwe no wo bebra nkɔ. Because a man ye bu ye kwase ache. Debi a man e wo se kwa ware papa. E adwen bone a ide ahyehyɛ hyɛ omutirim. Awurade hunu ye mɔbɔ ne ye nyina nsesan adwen. Ne yentimi nkɔ yen anim. E wo Yesu din mu. Amen.
no pe yemo bibia kwa basoruku bio embra hinkan 93.3 so agudie mu nsama so 90 menu atenase a ye de nsam no ebromidin edi Joshua Kwabena Jenim obeti eye Yosef Ejin kan obrempon opoku are Raymond Ashetewrat ene Ben Maoli omo ebo na afie de nsam no ababijao ene anopedi kan no yemfa seda Emma Jubilee Hospital dan nyina me ka kire se oyare ohudodo na baby agi ayaresa edwa any Jubilee Hospital ube piema ye wo outpatient service ho uba doctors bejina so 24/7 ahwemon yare wano so no wetimi atu ayira ebia so person beda hospital wada fe beje ayaresa ene so ba Jubilee Hospital ye betimi aboa o sa ekwan ne so afi laboratory enso ho lab bia person ebia no bra na yembo pharmacy eduro bia person otobia so no uba obonya bi no wato antenatal care postnatal care na for nchema maternity enso ho de ma ema ma foforo na fe ema ma wo wie afi theater enso surgery anaso operation na person ya oba ebetimi aboa afi bia wono person otwa scan ehun sakro no dagem no oyoba oye bema o prostate no so otwa scan no sina nie no esiye afa brana fi emfa ya ultrasound ECG scan no enso emfa embo ya rebi ache usuro ofere so bedi nkomoda kire unua oba e cancer unit won ma betimi no madi nkomo na for ma cancer kama na bibia nso akofan edamam ebia won so no ohwade a unhu ade benwa unhu ewachira unhu a bacho bepieme na emfa eye clinic no enso emboa afi diabetes hypertension na etetewa oba one time ye beso ano enso edi amam kanti won tede na pato bia no benya bi nso ato edi ewo eye Jubilee Hospital akache uba na kita insurance nso de ebeje na afi ya hwe ye ohwe kwanya Odabo Abu Road Amantra Bridge ni so honum na yewo number na 0244575799 0244575799 and 0241 784645 friend na yendin komo St Andrew Senior High School enso aba me pacho eneno pentetie edefi SHS1 SHS2 ni 3 ya bepiemu yakache na fe yembo sakwane so oba full body facilities in elho intibenya me papa ada adwen asuade zan de nudu a waturo atwa na bebia nso akofan ed amount 2021 was exam setro no St Andrew nkola ne no omudi kan wo ma results omnya ne de na ekon campaign cause ye o SHS na o pim St Andrews ye bi nti wo hwe achi akwan asinfo su mankesim ni wadubiase dunko onofin sewia sanwe so afia krateshi ena shama enso watakrade a o hwan a honum ena obohu ye number na 0244 696911 0244 696911 and 020 789 1004.
Yes, nsɛm na se ndan pɛ information se mfimfiri amano ne matches ahodo na otwewie ye top fam na sha se nden na kopie mu ɛwɔ French League na se na Asia ko ene 8 pm no Nice etnafi oni AS Ajaccio enso de bebo ne ndan bre we match kase be top fam ɛwɔ France ene ne team German Bundesliga match ba ko top fam ene so 7:30 pm no Schalke for etnafi oni Wolfsburg na de Boni uramu ɛwɔ Italy Italia Serie A no AC Milan Etnafi oni Torino na de Boni na face Spanish La Liga no Cadiz Etnafi ene Girona de aboni we matches ahodo andanumre top fam abedi mu nsam no de ejao
na eno piemu France a Coupe de France no so no ya de 2 games na eba so na se we crampo no 1 na ya de Bobo Kwane Lorraine enso tena afie ni Lens ekote sa game ko 1-1 ni penalty hihye so no Lorraine for omutimi echi Lens menin Lens for no bo mekanim enan a Lorraine omuso omutimi tika ntimi no ka se de Lens enso tena qualifier okonanim Coupe de France ni ma yedi mu nkra no so e de eja kopiemu African so a the CAF Champions League no match day 1 ya de chassis and Zamalek from Egypt etnase on CR Blues that at the Ebony sa team no so Algeria afi Raja Casablanca from Morocco etnase Vipers from Uganda and so at shaso afi ochina Mamelodi Sundowns etnase was South Africa now atun start the fair El Ali Unduman from Sudan no the game no at the Ebony Patlo Atletico etnase Angola now for on Kabili and so from Algeria and so the game no at Awentam so Espandu Tunis betnafie Tunisia now ne El Marik from Sudan and so at Aboni FC Horoya betnasi from Guinea omonso ometnasi na from ne Samba from Tanzania at Aboni where game saba so or the CAF Champions League no match day 1
yenremu taking any komo and so emfoni we say ncheye na otwimu ana sasa asase so ekosi e tekini ni patam sa kofa rosempa e da be piem na report phone mo aseba ene anopense hata sport for e da betu dwasa motwem ho e da free Turkish league ni mu a esefi ene koidie enya de omobo bi efi so ye nani de kase na omutim ni mu na akwakowie papa ono na president o da Turkish Union clubs na no papa fen Ali Kok ene so din sem no abetu dwa e endra nimra we e nkoma fi Turkey ba me dimu sem no e de eja
Jampiemo a Manchester United bobo konim na brante baako ni dia de Marcus Rashford ya final £574 million any sika na yes afana fe ni driving license so no yes ya teso 6 points na Kofi driving license so point wo driving license ya teso 6 points ni nyina ne se wakoto new car no £670 million na o twe over speed na nam UK kro ni mu police watching am say that be o no ntimi fa sa ska no koto sa car we Mercedes car we na untwini santi £574 million na ma santi 6 points ewo eye ne driving license no last year and sanse mi esiya abetodwa Manchester United ranch and then Marcus Rashford
Yeremu ne to enkomo no so mfama ndano pede mpemu Paris Saint-Germain bobo kunmu ne eni nkomo enso mfama onim sa branch afane Kylian Mbappe abrante ne pra na sia reporter eba ene se Messi nso akwa pra ni na se na atwewe ye obne Marcel Edmart kese yantanso eye ukwa de twamu ya na ya wadandra ene se beto dwasa abrante no ne namu adodon kakra wanhwa Champions League match kese do monim no against eye Bayern Munich na abrante no wanhwa na watumi enjiremu ensi akan amfama Paris Saint-Germain na ro pemi dimu komo no edi ejaw
na meeting kase akoso United Kingdom UK we no 30 nation summit na eba so na we no zen we no nesa IOC a omo hwa organize nesa Paris Olympics Games next year eba so no na omo tena se aduadu Ukraine na afa Belarus and Russia omo athletes ko ginemu asia kan enso Paris Olympics Games na ase onim se beto dwase nde no Russia athletes na afa Belarus athletes wono na Kenya dia nde no omo echo in the name of omo country na komo ko as neutrals na ko participate Paris Olympics Games ni mo na enso Ukraine for a resi protest bia we amasa meeting echo so na IOC nde no omo da Paris Olympics Games na no echo dwedwe mahwe se sa nations we yemo athletes no kwan mo mesia kan Paris Olympics Games na sia na ene na sa meeting no echo so
yewremu na fendi nkomo enso emfomo Manchester City ni abrante fan Ike Gundogan enso me formo edeba na so ne the wife ya fano Sara akikom sase ni nane se oye na ato eyetakifoi omonso akikom sase ese pano na se amakoto bread track bako na se omonso akoto a yese omode kwakoboa eyetakifoi fise kowramu otakia enipa over 14,000 na se sia no amahwe omonkwa yese electricity na ade ni na enso asese hono munti aduane mbadi kura no ho aden ede amatakifo a yese omuhia mboa Ike Gundogan yese 1990 so abrante no na chi baby efiteko no mu baby ene ntinu se enenemu ala se okoboa na bia ekoye edemo a ona no wife fa Sara enso akikom da sase ekokoboa na no pay medimu ensem no de agyawo
Jampiemo a box ni mu na enra onim se nche be ka kire se ne Anthony Oluwafami Joshua oni Jermaine Franklin the bot kese e baso asabat no e baso April 1 na enra no no chioma na se press conference no enso ekoso na Anthony Joshua be ka 2019 na so ni Andy Roos Jr. ebo bot ba kwa tim se na emu odin pa e de ma brantie no sa eni no bot no e ma Anthony Joshua elusu WBA WBO na fe IBF na IBO title ni nyina olusu ye no se sa bot na boss no olusu ye ne de na se nyoma ekoso pa na no ensidam fa na ne ma bebre ekoso a enu ne ne no amboa mene sankunim no na brepam no odbeba wei okaye wa bra na ne no na se press conference wa bra na oni Franklin Jermaine April 1 mo bot e boss no wei em komo no so ode atudwa
emrefe
yebeba fi eba fi na enfasida ema WAS Bioengineering Ghana Limited o maso yase media goodie mu nsem na fidie no enso ede eba enei se open chillers se open chefs open fridge Troyers anase basket anase neno wabie supermarket bi wabie shop bi open air sales desk aton ade wo so a meso be piem ya kache na afie ma obi na to na bibia nso enkofa enfama ye de no ne bo form se obeto a na se kayeju brema na stone gina na so na ebo adwuma de ma na bibia nso ekɔ fine wo hwe acha kwan masaman ye ne eye Ejapia depot no eben ho pe free number is so 0596 318 686 0596 318 686 and 0542 325 584.
Yen chef semna se yen chase enfimfli girls Accra House of Folk Bobo Kodumo ne ni kuma kan fama enda no pay former general secretary ukopiemo ewo eye NCC edma House of Folk no so a papa Fred Muhammad Al Hassan wadi nkoma kakra enso eda che enda no pay papa nsem kakra da tudwani na se kopiemo a ese encheye ene se manager na se general manager edma House of Folk papa Fred Bernard Nana JB eda ba tudwa se otumi enya adwuma biem emfama phobia na pana kasa akra ose hato fofo for emraso se some phobia adwuma mu a omekọ na background na hwe niam yie se abrante ba ho bai ekwan ban ene de ne fa so a adwuma no betumi aye na waye ne yie edan se omo fitiri prekopa na se wanko tebiri obi aba so omaye adwuma no onipa no to ba omunya no no kasa nya free na fe omfanye na adwuma yentie ensama former general secretary edema NCC hato folk Muhammad Al Hassan eriajae
guy if Mediana Eba has a good background check on him before he took over the position of the acting general manager. Because immediately he entered Mediana, Oko Abogati, a coach with contract, now dreams FC coaching. No, or 2-year contract with Mediana. It's about Manchano or Abogati, it's a ball. Mediana millions of cities. And you know, I do maybe I said to Baffitin, so the interview for people. I said, if I want a background, if you are why you're playing, born now, why you're my papa, wanye ni ansa no mama na so because of book in the club for ya no wa the general manager. The main problem has to book now say obi be bia am money free hands because obi be bia na you be say obi man appoint on one own management na why get to be administration of car na board na try board no think dem must over so ya dey na say ya no come no.
We and some as a former general secretary NCC the Heart of Folk the 2 January no and as a Heart of Folk one ejina dia na say operado ono e kasamafo and ma glorious across of folk ono so nsem kakra dia tudwa wo se ensem ne na namwiem na fe YouTube to say eye coach fans club comatech no wa bandi jama ewo eye Heart of Folk for omo so ewo camp no wo se no crazy bia ni chance nsem no na kwate obabi aso obi mu e kan kasi omu hu ne ka chem se nya no kre na opa no omani bibia ewo Heart of Folk camp.
The day or the morning that people started making that story, when we're traveling to Mediama, there was so much noise in the bus. He himself had the place. We're doing it in the bus. You understand? Your Congolese player, that day he was the one drumming, Otanga. He was the one doing the drumming. They do it in the bus. But everything, there's a measure. Anything that I make us say, or more say about your YouTube TV or say YouTube, then now they say they get the information. Where do they get it from?
We ensema se operada tudwa na oba wie no na fe ode nsem kakra moye festers na de na de bomo as a jeff for penfo o sise kopima hato for match so mo bono Saturdays ni de ayana embom kra vize Saturday wia be say se hato for e boma 3 pm at enkrofo kwa yase enkrofo ekwa ware ase no na se hato for e bom match na wie no ka chom say supporters e ma park ya o se one de ono mo nya dwen enti nkebe ya hato for e boma Saturday de ankobesre se pinfo emfan kwanimire ebia 6 pm na Heart of Folk ebo ebedu no bia enso atumi abapak.
I've always said that Saturday games, it doesn't help. Within the week, out there, you official work. I go do Saturday. I know family responsibilities. Now, the match, I can't share Saturday. Sometimes we will plead Saturday enumerate me upon a Saturday enumerate. That one, it's okay. Depend baby could be enumerate or around. But if you play it in the afternoon, that is where the issue is that. Say depend himself Messi Saturday. We are not going to name Madia. Then what they are going to do is that Otiwa no Ocean match. I want the TV so. Then it means that the individual is not going to come to the stadium. You have lost one supporter. You lose 2. You lose 3. You lose 4. You lose 5. It is a wedding and wedding. Then again, now on sign at a match. It doesn't help at all.
We some say kasama for Edema Glorious Accra Heart of Folk Kwame Oparado Riajae.
Kwame Oparado kasawie na Mustafa Yusuf also Minister of Youth and Sports. Ono so akasa onim se omode aye national sports policy ba no beboa ma sports a e Ghana hanom no so no etimi afan tumapa e de efra na Mustafa Yusuf ende no oye youth and sports minister no o si sa nyama no enso egu kwan so a na je se ba na still na omni various federations na associations no edi nkomo na ba ya sa policy we ba betimi abo ma Ghana sports enso tumi afan tumapa e de efra Mustafa Yusuf
To draft no and send a bit media juma na say minya all the stakeholders omo ye eba sports a obi omo nim di nyina obi ade na adwen eba Ghana fo nyina de omo adwen ba until first you almost 50 sports federation you are from nyina whether para sports whether it is badminton whether it is football athletics all the federations are here so all of us should sit together and see how do we position sports.
Enti wei aya Mustafa Yusuf no koma o de eja yan enie na onim so kopie mu e Olebu ene ne patema the CAC Road African Championship no 19 edition no e baso e hyase eye ukoda no eno a eto so ene bebrina enso e baso na do ni chema na se General Secretary enso de Ghana Cycling Federation na se Mohammed Shaban enso akasa after the first eye racer e baso no o se ohwe Ghana emrante ne mama wa no bike omutwi ye pa dia or certified with it or share speed or mokoye and say no ma won keka esi etia na say eye pa e wom sende no o hwe table no so a team play no enya da Ghana edu ba bia na so hwe train no ma fam ne na qualify preparation be pie mu e o sa tournament ya se na Ghana preparation enso aya na ni aso na Ghana ye no.
As the event director, I would say yes, the Ghanaians have put up their best. When you look, the way other countries are putting up their best, we are hosting this event to make sure we have the African Games. So I thought we are going to have the full backing of everyone, especially the national team. But the national team at the moment, we are in charge of the national team. Try to go and see where they are and just report it yourself. And go and see where the others are and you report it yourself. So if you are trying to, push up athletes to represent Ghana, today they were wearing Ghana. If like today you see them on the podium, they'll play the national anthem. So they deserve to be at least accept them as a national team.
Enti we eno retu anima owie no se sa cyclists for we omu hia bibia omu hia the presence of authorities keke sen company from the way Afcon no mo ebo no na nke Black Stars na company for twotwo na nintin e wase na isu akwa cycling ti no ase ye hu obi a e wase o se cyclists no omu hia obi bia na mom omu hia sika omu hia ade kase bia omu hia authorities enso e was cycling ase na nya ekoso isi na dan kofi kan ye no se wan du ahwe ya unya hwe wan du aburu a untwa aburu wan first kan shema unya ska wanya bibia na we cramp positive wo ni say enche all aqua games are eba so Ghana no eno serve as preparatory game e dem Ghana team no.
They don't request much. What they want is at least to see the authorities. Government, if they see authority, they also feel that yes, they are with. So what I saw today, yes, is the result. If you put it, you get it. If you don't put it, forget it. But the important thing we are hosting is that we are looking not only host and win, by making sure that the African games that will come, we do our corrections with this event and build it up so that Ghana will win one of the best African games in Africa.
Into way I am commodity giant coffee na TTT men junior no we team trial time o mu make ye no o mu kuyase no na Algeria na edi nkunim onya gold afei Morocco to osumienu onya silver na Mauritius etoso mensa ono so onya bronze afei women elite and men elite no women for ne de no Kofi Mauritius na bedi nkunim ho afei Namibia nso baaye na Rwanda eso ba toso mensa afei mama na fam no Algeria ebegiye unim se Australia so unim sa country ai on be toso mienu na afei o man de Rwanda eso etoso mensa ebo eye men elite ni
Ghana for na wan ko bi
ya de o hwe ebia ya ntwato a go se bike etwide na eni da so bia ni
yene akona kimfasa se kopia se William Denchi former player de ma heart of folk Abrante na Remo kimfasa se ono mu ko wie na Feleg no okobona ne ma akoyi ne former as good player Abrante fene sector se so Remo e wo Egypt a je se Ghana mo no enti Egypt Division 1 League okwa akobobi e de wa Mahala SC na Febia akoyi de ma 6 man deal na Abrante no eno mo akowie Carolina United aso ye se omne Abrante fene Fatah Mohamed former captain ma Phobia edin komo sa Abrante no obetumi akopie mu na fe bibia enso akoyi e de amam na Ghana Premier League no na atwere ye de top family say ena ebesi akobeche United transfer woni Aduana Stars de Ebony Accra Heart of Oak transfer woni Brekum Chelsea de Ebony Dream Chelsea transfer ene Kumasi Asante Koroko de Ebony Kemfaisa transfer woni OUTU de Ebony Fewuramu Waterman City ono so transfer woni Mediama de Ebony FC Samates transfer ene Legon Cities de Ebony Swataman transfer ene Accra Great Olympics de Ebony Carolina United transfer woni Atem Danko Tukuri House the Ebony and Afe Accra Lions and so transfer and Bibiani Gold Stars the Ebony way Ghana Premier League matches as a tough Madimun Komono and the Jana Nevia Uramu Ewojaha and in Potema Mat Kasepa and so tough him way a Kutukura for Amo Twa Ejoha for Ewo Ejoha Omukrum na Fe Mat Kasiano and so Ako Tofma as a way a matches are no bad name Panty Nevia 2 p.m. and as a game no tough Republicans FC Ewojaha and Kutukura second division at the Bonia as a abode no ne ayimuna o mati kutugwa yo hwanwa team ne de team papa team ne de mo place papa o ti dogini mu ne Pablo no mo Bright no ne Isa no na Jenu mu na emeboa yeah kwabran ko yanko na era manji ko na nyenum wale ba jinum no Kutukura for amaji be no I fancy na captain in the morning Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emfa morning show no entos midin Eddie Joshua Kwabena Jenim oti Yosef Agi nka Brempon Pokuare Raymond Ashite Urate ne Benima olimu nyina aboa ye nsem no ebija yes sole so Obuoba Ofori Amanfo the morning show no eto aso
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN933FM.
Me say, there is nothing bigger than AHENKAN FM. For me, AHENKAN is one of the greatest media houses in Ghana because you ask the right questions.
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN933FM.
Adia,
Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ate Edeba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Yes, you want to home. I say do up a bra. I'm ready now. Nah, yeah, from now by rainbow, now by. Yeah, the Asidade Mother Sports Team, Joshua Kwabene, Janim, Kofi, Ejiri, AJ, Otuonka. Yeah, twice so the amount Shannon son. Marchini Jumedi Nidin. I feel now do feeding at 200 higher AHENKAN 93.3.
Ghana Adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ate Edeba AHENKAN 93.3 FM.
Yaba twice so the amount. Now for the Yakan so the Yakan so I say. And if you are and it's here and chin sir. Now I'm back where did ya? Now back obey you. Now call her no. Why no one baby? Now I'm back where did ya? Now back obey you. Now call her no. Nase uhuno soa nani gene musin wo nyina mi ana metia ne ware oso mami ebere mi e mama ta fusi wo trasi say nyame no o mafa. We say good morning, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. We thank God for another sunrise and another wonderful day. Greetings to Engineer Emmanuel Kofi Apoy, Regional Engineer ECG, Papa J, Edway Ifrin Crying or Diaba. We so see a friend saying Stephen Boache. Odi any beka ho asem a chiri why? Yesterday was your birthday. Belated birthday going out to you, King K. Me bankra bia no a ye be pe pizza ni bi on. Yeah, the idea. Kamara, menina wiasia. Isi obiara ni ho. Obrabia mi. Anti adwa no po ba mo achi o. Bibi abako de. We say okay, so we free Kobe K ho or say happy birthday to you, Owusu Franklin. So happy birthday to you, Owusu Franklin. You are 9 years today. Wishing you well. Live long and prosper from Ayiribi. And I see Nkantre Owusu Franklin. Say Omano happy birthday. And then I would yes, we see a friend say bright meet Tiemo Eddie free at Chimasene. Nia waka ka ho na chiri ye beka ho asem. Na bebia mi frɛ. Erade adum ara kwa. Ayeye nkani dinda. We say Mr. Obuoba, good morning. How are you doing? Onyame adome ho ye papa. O se che say de bia mitie wa manije. Ensem na de ba ni nyina nso ya na bibia is on point. Yankopon kan ho papa no nhyira o. Ye frɛ me ohene ba. Mitio Anti Oheneba Michael say utie and live. Eddie free Oheneba Ventures no ewo odan car price. Or chiade mami dofo or penny mami na sem papa. Your friend mami ama esidua. Or achim abu. Enti mami ama esidua. Oba Oheneba say or chiao na opewa sempa. Steve O, Bettina say, I know say good morning. I don't pay a church, ya Bettina see for you now. Young fan to us over that into your brack into a foot near this year. I yin de my home. Nina sebe boy any a Dutch timia kamakama and pay tea ha. Yes, say with that inti brofokase muno. Reduce how you visit some people, especially if they don't reciprocate. Reduce how you visit some people, especially if they don't reciprocate. Enti ayeti and yegusu so a ye hwe se ne be ya afimu nyina ye bebu ye ho. How I be respect ye ho afimu nyina. Na obi mfa wo ani munyam kakra bi ne kura wo no emfa ntwitwi fam nti. Ebia wo ne obi afa adamfo, wo tai ko ne fie kosra no, but wo no o mesra wo bi. Ayonko fa no eye mutual thing, ye ka se bibi ye mutual, wo sa fanu ni nyina ye te ye ho ase. So that here. Enti se me de 1 CD ba, e wo so de 1 CD ba mutual na ye kana se kire no. I was seeing nyina adwene kɔ benkrum anamo bi a yetu no I was seeing nyina adwene ye baako na kokoba se wo na de bia no akosra no de bia ukɔ ne fie ɔno ɔmma bi emfa obuo emma wan hu ye kɔ baka sɛ wo ni dwumadi ntina de bia no asɔre aba betena ne so no enti sɛ wo ne obi afa adamfo na de bia wo na wokɔsra no na ɔno mmɛsra obi a ɛno no na watena ase na wadwene wo ho so what I say. Reduce how you visit some people, especially if they don't reciprocate. I was so no so best ubi. In this all cosa no wa mesra ubi a. Odofo no pa oba bia tena dwene ho ate. San say yes ya ware kura ye mfa nko heaven a. Na Adam fofa ne de be ko heaven. Erade hu ye mobo. Na ye da chinti ye nhye ye ho so. Na ne kakra yi a yakan ye mfa nya adwuma se. Ye no obi sign ebia na nya yonko fampu nko a ebia na eyabusua bobi woni de bia wo so wa anom wo na wo te won so a wo sra wo mo wo so wa anom yi emom tirim da so ene de yen so kra ye ba be sra wo de bia na wo wakɔ no akɔma wo mache mamache o no maje so die ni a wo no maje so die ni enwuni o no maje so mi mama owie o na de bia wo na wo kɔkɔye sa de no omo de omo ma me ye bi ma wo madam pebe bi tina dwene ho ate abrabo na enye so rigido ne de yire no kete no abrabo enye sa simple instructions ne principles bi odi ye adwuma pa o ko baby o chia obi a wo so oje so se wo chia onipa da sani bie wa no chia no ne wa anye so a bra jai madam o chia obi wa bie wa no o we bia me pa cho good morning o na ono so bie na no age so morning ne ye ne din a me si wo hia no atwam we enye kikri bia ho abrabo na enye bibi chenchene sa o eye niema bi simple. Reduce how you visit some people, especially if they don't reciprocate. Ni awo ye no munye bi ma wo atwitwa wo niema so. O chade pa, but ye mpese ye beche wade ni bi. Omo de bia no omo de no mi oyi wadon. Ompese wo nsu be yi omo don ni bi. Tu hofo. Oda chinti. Reduce how you visit some people, especially if they don't reciprocate. Christ asumdwe nka ho. Yeah, the bon krata mo so de to aso de ama na fe de aka nyina so de aka ho. But I'll pay. This particular thing has dawned on me. My dream one 11 no e ho asem te sen. So I'm say ebo sen ko bebu hu akonta bosome miensa bia. Nti e ho asem te sen. Yen ye sha ase ye kan soro ne fom si ye ntua no. Ene omo achinchin kan ye nyina agum bi. Nti ene 1 cedi kura na wo send ya utua 11 no. 2 cedi kura na wo send ya utua. Nti sa threshold no omo de ba first say sisi anka wo send 100 cedis and above and a wo betua 11 no. Sisi omo yi threshold na fi ho. Nti ye 1 cedi 50% kura na wo send ya wo so 11 utua. Nti ene sa ne tie de a e wo se ho akuntabuo no ehu hia ye nyina. Ye si ye ntua ye draconian ye ka say ye obnoxious. Ye kire ya dwen keka aborofo akese ni nyina no. Omo ka kire say they have the majority, so they will always have their way, whilst the minority will have our say. Enti ye kire ya dwen ekeka ho borofo. But omo kire say they are in power. Enti at the end of the day no omo me agi 11 atum. But asema me bisa me ho ne say ensem a onimonyamfo kenofori ata onyo no kwafo. Onyo no kwafo because odi animu Bible na kakra bia no okoturu mo nkancha ne si wonyae eyo ono ane di ade nanim town hall meetings upon town hall meetings and oka kire Ghana for say even before no adi kan ka kire say we are not going to the IMF, you shouldn't be deceived and we know the consequences over there are dire, we are not going, we are a nation of a proud and ke kan brofu ni nyina wie owie no asan the Bible quotation atato o ka kire yen say 11 bosumi miense bia mo beye akonta e de ama Ghana for mo gi 11 2 mo afe na ebe yi akonta dodo sen mabu ama Ghana for sika dodo sen yen sa aka e na mo sen ka kire yen say yen san fa haircut en famra haircut na eno so ba no what shows say eno so mo be di ho no kre boni no be di anu adi o men konko tete Bible wa chim fa ndi boni o de no de wo ye ne say so dangerous misu be di boni na yi wanim ne di hie na wo kwaburu nsam jem no a wa call with your chest out wa be ka kire Ghana for ye kan ya MPP for communicators me communicators for kware na sometimes e bi mu asam ye mombo atu because we defend enye ye ti ha no meka kire say 11 de eno no be boa yen e be boa me anya sika IMF no kra ye nko ye ti ha na New Jabin South MP of friend saying o chiri be fi honorable be kan say ye call 11 na of friend saying ye call IMF no free SHS ye betwam ye fa ha esen ha ke kan brofo akese finance minister kan ofori atanso so kan soro kan fom si ye nko ne nko chena ene ye gina ho ye ho no ye gina no kra no ya san kwa kofa bibi foforo de aba ye se haircut na ne ye kan amfo afikyira a wo sen krofo no mo pedede na hwe teacher ni a watiti ni mowre mu a nyame na doma fi okọ pension na sika kakra wanya eda ho no mo eno na ye de hwe no a bosumi bia no akọji kakra na ode asane ho ya de ode akoto aduro de akoyese no eno so aban ni se 11 na nso no 11 no anya hwe nti se haircut eno mo de o mani asiso ena emmere wane nkwakora. How wicked can we be as people of this country? Adana ye tirimu ye din sa. Ye tirimu ye din to the extent say ye bu ohiani afa so ye nwene ho. Na dabio Ghana ha obi ko pension and sika he no oje. Ubetimi dia toto S gracia na moje no ho. Pension sika no. Ubetimi dia toto S gracia ho. Adwin bibia bako de
yame adom chairman na pomai
ye giram ba me re na ho ene madane ayi de ya ofra me ra ho me friends en Georgia na
Georgia
ene me so me ra ho ano pay me so me ra ho papa
ada Ghana say
11 no na me pese me hunu ba bi ene nam
see 11 ne de
omuguso gigi o
Jiji de so mo jiji.
Na onim say data ne credit ni ma na wan say asan ato ne buom.
Yatum. Na I first me voda na me tell you super. No more package bi a oguta 15 cedis ya otimi nya 5 point something gigabyte ni bi. Na this year oguta sa 15 cedis na. Ye be ma 2.5.
O ma tete so.
We are tisu boom mienu. And empty also more. Yes, it's free after 1 minute. Yes,
no more jai.
About 10 minutes. So that's 30. 10 minutes. And this is no crying on Mumba boy Cocosomba to move. So and I send on back boy Cocosomba, and his own Cocosomba to me. I said, no crowd. Ye be ye free Mukura.
Me matter says so ye and if you are free after 1.
Oh, okay, and I'm sending a cop. Omakunu Kojo. See, I Ghana and the said the iron in the obo. Now come see and ton, but me who see a ton crowns with a boboka.
Udi sika kesi ko dwemu a wonfa hwema.
Hwema.
Baby ayere tawe. Obi ayere ne to.
Aso so no ta so no.
Shema. Oba po mboko de.
Nyame oba de adaruma na so.
Nyame adom. Yo.
Maninka se bi abende yemre. Nen to aso ma ye abre.
Ujwe ho awon ti ase. Mama o ma ni mu aye de ye kan mo so me yenka.
Omu yo musa so mbebreki 8 na aka ho.
8 ben.
Ngoche no.
Mama Ghana yire tawe. Okoka mo se enya Ghana nko ewiase nyina wo country do say na watuku akoso. O ti Ghana ha.
Some do me ya US ni ya no me compare. Anya US hene
COVID. Anya COVID ya yi Russia
Ukraine.
They say kwasi yetira yi ba kwa san beka ho. Turkey ni Syria.
No de ba no mu de bebu o Ghana ha.
Turkey ni Syria so ama man ni waye dey. Na wakọ region by region aka kire Ghana for say bosumi miensa mo fa mayen mo de mayen bosumi miensa bia ye bebu akonta. Bosumi miensa bia ever since IGG 11. Oma bebu akonta da.
Dabi.
I mean, can you for your time no kwafo? Onya no kwafo.
Go kan obi si he.
Onya no kwafo because we are not pay am no ka say over commented this him ni e do kan.
Ana kan be kan. Omo di nyame na kataka to mani ni akasa ba ko mienu quotation. Mo ko na munim Bible mu.
Okay, kan be this him.
Bible mo ko na e boma am eda mo dem da bia mo kan.
Over ko yes o twiri lazy chair ni mu. Yehowa nko na ye ni no. Oh no na kesi. Obi ane mrewa ne nkwakora. Achem se mo ye ntua mo kan ne ntua mo kan. How could you?
Osuro mu.
Oh,
okwakan esisi.
Ano odin dodo.
Huni pa mo. Na ba bia wadiri kra de ka okra no. Sa nkokra ne mrewa kra na wase ka wani ko mo ho.
So no aye na chiri ye.
Oh, obeye. Obeye. Se ekwan ye yi.
Ono aye na chi ye.
Na dachi bia no.
Amampani akufa no so wie na adwuma okọ ho me wo chebi.
Yo.
Nti chebi say wo kọ hwa say why small lending.
Yate. Wodo adachi oba bia bi di be wo nani.
Oh, there be ne ba nyina ye ma.
Na da oba de tim fa ngwani. Anada unim se obi timi ko wale obi na watwi na di.
Ukini di ane papa uska odun be twema
so me banya na msi me ba bebisa asem bi na waka se ne ma nyina ye ma ama ne si asem na me bebisa ne so ena me sorry na me fira bisa masem se aden ne nempenifo na omaba no omu ye nketesi na onim so asumesi hia moa metimi aboa no but ansa na obeboa no no sa se menu ye bibi ansa na
enya omu nyina
but majority.
Oh, me sa de ne de e wo ho but me mfam adwen ko ho se sa ne te
sa
wo ba no so ko office ho de na wo ye ansa na ne kon be do
that says me hu ni sa
da bi o tie o wo your ba we so serious in life holding on to a certain principle makwa adwuma mu me pa cho ma ba AHENKAN933FM me pese me be ye adwuma wa ha my application me ni o ma bibia ya okay. Oh, ade ne de wo de fa nkrata ne nyina to nchen na me ne wo nkonko dansa. Oh, you're a principal person, and you won't even stand there. So, best son.
Yes, Obana is son, but I didn't know I am penny for me be a distance semi saneba.
It's I'm penny for this answer, Miss Sanding on your penny, a point of correction. Obi as I don't remember it. Or nobody home come on your penny. Not doing your juma. And you don't waste your time on that person. Obi a back at say before me more juma, just say me no want that, not doing your juma. Ain't men running change. Fanny Jaho, where Jimmy?
Me that's it.
They said they are okay.
We are no more come man and quadio. A man and so blue. Bema be to me quite Juma bimu. No, I got to Madame Woho. Madame said, just a me no a sugar that did sugar mammy answer. I don't know the Anamonga.
And there was some in general. Of course, no.
Hey. Maybe advocate for boy child. It would get child the Bahan Quazaria. We know the best face. Yes, a boy child matters. That's it. It won't come man, the Kakama come man today. And my man's young, bro. I will put you down. What do you win him beside him, pa?
You come, pal. Well, that's now.
Am I a repu member? I'm going to come once a month. What do you share?
Some more, but I had you.
Said you're walking. Now, or walk, I say, and no, son, or qua, and you can also do home.
You have to be a principal person.
Example,
because all no so but me hona chere me wa hunu kerosene matches ya o matimi a negotiate bibia na ye
you can Matthias ba me question say in the first place ne crown aden na was e bia sa uso onye penny
sa onipa no
or this adwini she meeting say me di brenti
ana make say enipa no kinka Bible wo mu o se otu nani hwe kuro ni so na ohunu se nipa no bibiri wo hono mo me agegintwi a omo ti no omo wo kon wo tire de ba te tire ni nyitire nti ade a chie wo nipa no bibiri wo hono mo wa dress kama ba to onye correct
sure
so that's it nti niam bi se esi ama ne nyon wanwa se ada na mawura office ha no mo a yesi gise me o yes ankrofo ni bi agegintwi no no ka ho bi so that's it nti no sorry anopa you have to psych your mind. Possible miss you be correct. Miss you be on your correct. That's it.
Obi so obeboa wa. Obi a what they aton so obeboa no
demand bibi. Say me boa nti so be ye we ma me.
Say obi o demand bibi ansa na wa boa no. Eno no enye yes nyamoa.
Ere ye friend no boa.
Aye say bonsam moa no.
Eno so ye
Odi mama na wo chero be
kanofuriata de ni bi. O say buamina me moa.
O say no ye di krasem mu ni bia.
No ye buamina me moa. Nti ono no de ne ye buamina me moa no.
Ti say keta sha ya da ye nyina ka ho asem si entu ase. Say school placement ya me fe no nya example. Okọ aye ne nipa se first kabra no. Unim say ad ne entu aka.
Ozu ukotua. Wa bra winner senior high school wa ha. Ozo se chenchina open fanzipum. Open fanzipum dia ba. Wabra winner senior high school ha. National senior high school na wo dan kwanta ha yi. Ozo se chenchina open fanzipum. Fanzipum di ya ban fanzipum.
Azin job dey.
Fanzipum.
Edia no za no wo na wufu abone no so. Ama na akoso. Mumi enu nya ama ye bone. Because one tias ya enkono na nye.
Obi am say police for eje bribe. Police ni training nsa no. O de won nsa tu mu anka won chia wo.
Ba chia wo.
O training nsa na o de ade ni tu mu.
Obehu. So won say o.
The police ni training nsa na so do nsa tu mu.
Ni a chia ye ho.
Chia no.
Na chia na hwe. O de a chia no sa ko ntia. Anu no sa no.
Ya di gogomoti ko yi.
Ya di gogomoti ja okwan. Sotro ja okwan.
Ono de nsa ne baaye. Na so de nsa to nsem.
No atia.
Eno no onua do no. So that's it. Eje bia wo tia no wia no aka cha se moni adwuma. Moni adwuma de na fine. But em fan show trim say police ni
watene ne nsa.
Oje bribe. Wa wo police ni e wa hia obi. A wo huru driver ni na say, "Hey, fiska bra."
Davi.
Enti enti ni e ka se police for je bribe.
Kwa anwa ya no ma begina ho.
So that. Police ni nye bribe. Because me who police ni a wa yiri obi. chinchina office camera debi enti ye nyina yeso so ye wo asede wo mu
yes driver nimbi ana o talk kan so mo talk ya na o ma tro o mu tai tro etire na onu ko tro ni de eche aposi for the bribe je ana ni aposi for brim na ti o ma no ko pepe o ko pa no church still
aposi for the bribe
o just
still oh okay I see still na police ni na share no man ko why no enko na better still na I see. Anyways. Media me anope na 11 mi hu ba bia akodi. Because omo ka kire ense boso me ense bia no. Omo ebebu hu akonta. Enti na anope na mi bisa se na we he. Because you so
omo jeje no guso omo jeje. Omo di isi ama enso di guso omo di isi.
Omo di isi bo anom de beba.
Omo de mo.
Na boso mi ense bia akonta no omo be share bo no
Oh, sir.
And the dada funu. Ya no ba ko.
Ken ofuri ata nyo no kwafo. Sa na mo pese mo kire.
Oh. Na se ken ofuri ata de. Yesi obi on te Ghana ha. Ana obeka se papa no sebi atrota cheme bi wonanum. Example nie. Wono na beka kire se IMF de yenko ne nko chena. Enti yetini wo ba bia ye munua timandua kese fanto ya so achi. Na sa nsem ne babu achi ne nko. Meboa
just no wadi ntro
wi akire ye wo ho
ba se yesi pani so ni ntro yen Ghana ha no ana
well anie sa na mo ka dia se ne dada yen ebi wonu me se da ka de tu etrim keke panyi ni ntro wonu panyi fo mo Ghana o ma di atro
bebre o ka ye mani da papa ya nim
ana afi adai
o ka ye na da papa ya nim be da manim
wona ni atro wana wa asase weso so ni atro obi adi atro omo mpanyfo nko na di atro akese omo mpanyfo
wi ana ma be ka che se pani ni ntro
panyi ni wa ni ntro
meni efi mejina
sai
na enya be ya nom ka se bi anse na be wo akwanya nsafo no ni ya wo panyi kwa se adada enu ho se ya be
so meni efi omo jina
na me se sa be no so mo ko fafiri hin na de baaye
ebebe ya ya oka ye no ni nyina wo hobi se no njina me so me ka kire madam se ye ni pani empanimfu no empanimfu no ne hefo empanimfu no ka ho me so me ka ho wo so ye pani o nti ye won krofu bi o mu de omutiri mu odin akopa adwuma enye empanimfu ni nyina obi ho nya pani saa o sene ya dwene bu ni se ye de company fo a omo agenu manager fo obu ormo no so o tete chire media house adwuma ye before ye be fo adwuma mu no obu okra atache bi kura timi ji usika nsan ya fo adwuma mu ena no mi hu ba ku bi yesi programs manager any one of marketers bi o se den den no mo de ya yim we vim ge no we vim ge no we sika ho commission brimu no a nti eno no so no eye pani bi ote office na kokoye yen komra de bon grata no
Ghana
na ene de bon grata no chronicle mu no achim anamase apiem nti muduru so a yebeka ho asem yen komra
Ghana de simama yama munyina mo ache ebiem sa mama kwaba ade ba amasa dia tumu kasafidie ahenkan 93.3 FM ebutu achem aboabo maame akua afra koma ba Tampa Studios ana busuafo yesi enkonyan ne nyina no eye dwumadie sonko atodin se maache ana wasugusu awu etie no maache ni mu ana da wonka ata moboso enso so yede ebesom wo wo hwe wa kire bia no so anopa no nso abo apan osima no aduonum nwotwe 758 ayi ase wo obokunkun bi wo mu ana me mafidie ya metima sum kunkun mun cheki mame ana anianum yenu ayasin konya de bon ka ta mboso no eba no aye me adwen papa hene Kofi Mensa Jene papa na papa ende wani kan mene ahofe achim police
mame akuya Janewa
afe abusuafo da obokrata na yetiasim ye ne yekro no the inquisitor da obokrata no ana ekramie wose redefining objectivity ana wode aba na o kyeremu se Ghana Baptist Convention and also so omalanchi omo 60th anniversary and so on so the boka tedia betifisia poli edusia na wonu madie te ho afahye akoso the boka tei enso ede ho ensem ede aba kama enso ewa ha na owie ye no na wade akukuda matotoduro ne ani ntini bi mfonyini di aba enunu se no eye obenfo Rashford Jampo say ni mfonyini eka ho sanso ena oswafo sikasam tutu yaso no munyafo kfriata efonyini ka ho Dr. eye Otin Jesse efonyini ka ho Reverend Dr. Ousu Amwa Ghana Revenue Authority wono no subutuo onso mfonyini eka ho na ochem se Ghana Revenue Authority wo ukopiem wo no ma ensem bia oboba nya de ketwa na eye obenfu Jampo ne nani bra bre wonom so no anya de ketwa te ho asem de oboka tai enso de abaye se contract bia eno so panfo akwa o makwa extend emu nsem bibiri de oboka tai de aba enso ewa ha na owie ya no anu ochem se owura opuni asem yi adaso da ho achese panfo nka nwie ye na no ana bi mu trem se asem kwada asendi bia enfisia poli ensianie ye ni wie da aba eda ho ye dai ana eye mpanfo di tudwo chem se da binya sa owura honye nuga se anu ano no aha o trem se anya no kra se edifisia poli eye ensia se den kofo bi keka no amanfo se achedodo munyana mumu ni ntam asem beto mba fiafia ho saa edi asem korani ti ho asem de oboka tai edi aba na emrase badwani de ma aye Ketanof aye Owura James aye Avezi wono de atudwa akire mu sai ongwati aban lawyer panyini aye Attorney General Owura aye Odame Godfrey Odame no wo kire mu sai adentina Auditor General wo ye hwehwani musa na wa ye hwehwe mu awie de afa COVID-19 ho a uwie ya de abeto amonte so se obia hwe sana mara se wa bra kwa kan Ghana mamra na ema ho kwan sa na hwehwani mu aye ase ne sei tumirika na ko be pafiri ho no animu ya Attorney General na ekasa yo o ka kire Auditor General na asase mu obeka ye na Owura James Avezi ono aye amrase bedwani di ma de shomo Ketanof kire mu se Attorney General kana no ntumba bia ote na wokeka ne nsam no mode amka se da bia na mobeye nneoma no maketa so saa wahu wose Auditor General nya boni bia enua na waye no wode abeto monde so wode abeto monte so omo ma die sika de nyina yehu wo mo na aka de aka etiano ho asem de boka tai enso ede aba enso ewa ha no mo kama na enu achi no ochemu say eye oil producing profile bi so se weni se no ya hwe se nkaja oil yi bi ne betima danda no mani na so ochemu se ntimi nyina o ntimi nyina to akwakotwa ho mfonyini di aba ewo de obokrata yi mu de inquisitor de obokrata no pebi kenkan ensam no de wadwen ye okese wo ho no wakenkan no atumu enchene
Abusia ya tuaso na Daily Post ko wakrata na ye de tuaso na wadi woni monyamfo Samuel Kujeto ablakwa ni foni abetwene papa neni abriye papa neni abriya wo kire musa wonu de eba ne politics a woti asio ana amanyosam so woti ase yie papa nti want na ho emobi mfa amanyosam medada ne emobi mfa amanyosam ma mehwirehwira nti ne ekoso nya wo se agagefo no kura so a wo sanso suro bia ade na ye papa wo beka eye bone so na se enam ne kwan so a eno so wo beka ne pepe o se asem ne kura wo ye ntu sabi enti sane etie bia wo beka nti sane wa moya manako yeso wo suro bi no won monyamfo samoku jeto ablakwa wo se wo suro obia ensuro obia ehun nsem kwata fe to so insia ne enson Daily Post edi etudwa na wo wie no wodi ensem troni ba kwa wono so agidin papa Randy Abe wodi ni foni ben Randy Abe so ani abro Bank of Ghana governor wodi animu ye Ernest Addison neni abre ni so ye pa wo sika bi wa ma print sika bi eno no famra kwan so illegal ana tse wa mo print ye 2022 ni mo ana wa mo ye sadenti neni abre ni so atse watu bi amane ne no so nsem Daily Post ko wakwata de tudwa ene anupe na Daily Post area no de Dr. Clement Aparkin phone so by ne wono so neni abri papa ne school placement ensem ababie de dwebi mu twa bi mu twa sika nani abri hu ya tse wakasa ade afa wono de osi ensemisa de wo bi ebisa pa na so obisa nsem so wo sempenifuo eba beyi anu ntini semisa se ne edoso no wo sesa so na enyi anu no so edoso na no pay Daily Post ko wakwata ana ebo hu dero
Ghana the shimama the informer da ubokrata was nothing but the truth. Enye bibia se no kware no nkote. En wetin tim dia gune da ubokrata yi ensoso emu. Na ode eye COVID-19 no audit report no ode ho ensam sa dia babiem. Na sadem di ka kire mu ekire wo ewo da ubokrata m di ka de sumo de nkusitamu no sa pepe no se ka no ha. A chese mrahye dwani de marketer North ene ne ni bra bre ne ho no ese woni atoni je no mo de afeso agese nya de ketwa na enu achi no ana ketu mo medasia ketu North na enu achi no ana eye wadi abechem se emrase badwani onso ewo Tamale South abato mpesua so ankane wono ana na woye edom ketu emrase badwafie no anu dani nanso omabon gala way na nnu akwamra sebadwafie no ayon monyamfa na dusu asem na mekan akunya de man se wontena so no so wompe wompe enti ehun nsem da obokratai enso ede aba ewa hanom a enya adeketoa the informer etoa so biem ebo amane akire mu se na nado dankwa ekufu ado enei wa pau eye emranimfo ane atemuafo mako amse dumienu ai ana wasade won ma akọ pii won mo dada no so munyina mo kọbọ adwuma na mo amaga na nkọ nanim ana wotu amofo se he dwuma dia mede mamue no mo hwe se Ghana amambra no ana mo de be ye adwuma ai Ghana amambra no munni no kware na Ghana amambra no enso entimi nya adwuma kama enti enwa asem de bokatai enso ede aba watwa humfonyini kama ede aba ewa ha na asante mantemu suame abato mpesua so ena de inform akọ ho wakwa ne wotira mu sai orura ya ono woni NDC amanyokwe no na ebo awoye mabunu dom freni de ma wo ne mo ewo suame abato mpesua so okoka sai afimpinu ene aduonu ena abato ne de so ye NDC ni ba na abato no duru ho na safata sasa bi hukum nipa na ebuama NDC nya tumi na kumno aba afabo no etu atobo no de obenya bia metwentwen so timpa oboto ho no manu na okọ na wanya otumi na no no na police fo atimi abomade we kura de wa mo chase se de ensam ne ye nim ti no NDC fo na nkasa nka no mko mmoa owura no se ka ache bese no me enko anom de owura no koye enti asam no ene ensan no akura koto kotena so ache so mgusu adi asam no na no na ne mra nim ni a wotwitwaje de age no ne lawyer ni eye Owura Evans penidini amankwa na Owura Evans amankwa wono na etwitwa de age sa Owura yi anu okyem se wone ne client no edi nkomo na owura ne se na asem na woka ye no anya se woka di agro dabi waka wose na asem na woka no nya nuhu kura oi ai waso onya nuhu asem na woka ye no no ana waka no nti mra no se de tie bia no omo soso be hwe de omani edi akiri te ho asem eno no wasuafo no na hwe eye anyinamode dwumade ntoto yeso eye onumanyamfo Dr. Maakye opoku prempe sweet napo nimfo nyine ewa ha enu achi anka ne Ghana man panyin owura John Dramani Mahama sirem se jata bale bambode sikonkonom wonu so mfo nyine eda ha ana ye kyerem se owura eye John Dramani Mahama ko kan sembi ade afefa fa so eye omna hwe anyinamode dwumade ntoto yeso ana atutu eye owura napo asa akom eno no so aba monten so abe kyerkyerem se da bi se do owura aye John Dramani Mahama keka no enya sa na tie ti sa asem kono na nkasa na se kitawudie no obese okenkan na utumu nchina the informer da oboka atan pe bito na no pay na kenkan we ene nsema wodo no afoforo bi eka ho ene ode baaye adeshimama
abusia ya to aso the finder ane ya de to aso ne nyiso wase credibility ti ne nsem ne de didem na the finder de abakrata fa etoso enwotwe and watchem so kopie mu apostle atna ye headquarters na nkasa eja na jiwo se humo eja atho ama tse semesi de nye asem ketwa no nsem kwakwate de aba na wawie ye ana wode Dr. Ernest Addison ensufoni ebaye Bank of Ghana governor wade aba no wochremu se sane enkrata bia ba montenso semne ne na montenso esen ayi wa mu Bank of Ghana 2022 wa mu fa kwan bone so ana ne wa mu twa sika bi gumu ne ho nsem osese ne ho nsem na kwakoba ne nyade anukura bia ewo mu wase nukura bia ni sansen mu wa munyuma wa moye no emuda wo ye pa na 2022 so wa ma mfa kwati kwan so entwa sika bia ngum enti yete sansem na yenhwe na ye montungu epse nukura bia enimu finder ko wakrata ade ho nsem atudwa na finder wie ye no na chese Ghana National Fire Service wo mo so akasa ana wo mu chemu se fire tenders no wo se bi wo wa ni fisha na twemu emra enke wose timi ye adwuma na twem ene ebi kra twemu fire tenders na ksa ye anka mfinhie adu echi no na nke asa ye foforo so se we die twemu kura na tse gusu ewo ho ana wo chemu se district mako 85 ana ne fire stations wo mu ni bie enti sa district na ja top pa dia je se wo mu fire district foforo na je se fire service for wo mu won wo ma ba bedum na mu so wo mu che okwan so dia na je se arehu sem nkoten eno nkoten ana ye beti was district mako 85 o ana fire stations wo mu ni bi ewo wo mai mu eno so krata fa to so emienu finder ko wakota ede ehonsem atudwa ene anope
Ghana de shimama mede the Republic Press the obokrata no Republic Press the obokrata ni mu ensem ene ode bia bapa was 7 the Republic na just yesum oman na oman konkon Ghana ene wo sum no na wode eye opanyin on na ye otutrani ade ma eye Pentecost asafo no sanso so no kro ya so no eye Ghana Pentecostal and charismatic council no onu kro ya so na ye omo tutrani anase oye omo president eye Apostle Eric Nyameche na ode nfonyi di aba ana ode eye Ghana man panyini ra na adodankwa akufu adumfonyi di aba His Excellency no na eno na eye Apostle Eric Nyameche ka che ne se nana wa mamuo na sudodo oyo obonododo onko Ghana so ya kakra bi na wofa wo ma mamuo ni eye kakrakasa entete so we was so jemi a wo so te on nje was na nko jemi okọ jemi on jemi ma ne so nte se dia mamuo na sibi so no ha adwene no man sisi ya ho kyere yan pa tikaso afoi wotetete so no akeka kaso ya ni bia bobobom na ka timi aboa kama ama ya nyina hwan hia yen enti eno so ne nsema na am no kasa die aya Ghana Pentecostal charismatic council no one mo so kan ade a kyere Ghana man pan na adanko akufu ado eno achi ana wade atudua kyere mu se wo bepiem wa Ghana anoma hwemu bi akoso ewe school so awodo mu no wo kire se wose eye enkura maako be se eye mpem baako ene ahasa ana maye dey omu posti omu omo adeja mu ana mu kan say se no e dey a kini e dey
Kata ben ya.
Republic Place.
I don't saw my day.
Was it?
Mamen kai I say 13,000 Ghanaian kids sex tape posted online in 2020.
Sex tape say bi am paso agro.
Yes.
Em paso agro bi am kokodi ye no.
No mo twa be to social media.
Ai.
Hey!
13,000.
Empim dumi ensa.
Yi report to ben no.
Was it CSE for na ye.
Sa. Ghana ha na say himfa.
Ghanaian kids.
Ghanaian
kids.
Say betimi aba say Ghanaian kids but no mo ni Ghana.
No mo ni Ghana.
Omo abruchira na say na Ghana ha de. O dodo say na me ma hu bi.
So you report for my year.
Say 13,000 na me hu ye na ma me. Because me hu be
13,000 hu ya wa me
there be ma hu do sa na me pese me kire
sa de wa hu ni sa
na me hu bi mpo
atama asem be na okay I want to the okay ya
hu bi 2020 hu bi
o de na ye kan o so de hu ye no wa me
ni ni kwa se me hu bi mpo
se wala
ana
wana bo do na
2020
school gay bi but onu kwa me ni say 2020 school gay bi a say one ne say ni senior prefect so then we voter region ho ba bi
say nya ni nyina enya bia na obeti ho asem
na no na 2020 mpo
da bi
nya
2020
se ba ya chu
na se Ghana nkura ne de se nya nkura ntotofe wa bia na woka
omo de to social media so social media ne mu de hen because me nya ba bia na me wo Twitter ho mini ho mini Twitter won ti ho de to Twitter dia ma
TikTok on so say bia uni ho
mini ho
ti bia ho
omo na omo Snapchat o se then ho so mini ho
nti doso
omo de
asemo na we na wo se ahwehwem so omo ana de koto ana obi na twa de koto ni nyina wo se nyam nkyiremu etu di anopa nya Republic Press no na oso kenkan mu ne yenhwe de ese de esem ne se bitiai na tiai yesi nurse ni bi na ono so akwase no wa konfo adaya ai ne dofo aka che ne se obegya no atrete ne se obegya no ti
ono aku adikan akuku ne
wonya no wo se obegya no
enti waku ne hu ina
che ne odikan meja oma umegya no ma
enti we no uganya akupo bebiza de
uko ye dan uko todo mu ko ye dan nurse ni awo nurse ni so de yi
we krampo de bema o
bema okoto domu koye den wa be pie yi ati wadi kan ono ade ahoma asoro ko amia na oto
e bia se o si vows day ya be se ye mfra o se bra na ye hwehwe nim na ba anu no ko du fi o man baby sa o se o ko ho ko ye den na we wa no pitiri say high sense no what to won kwa na say wu
oba kwa no obi china gidi ejo agajo so kwa ba de ma nko na da me ha hu sori di na chi
asem
o ko yesa o ko tete ube hu de ye hu
akwa koku hu
odonti mi we anya se a nya ta fu bebre
ba ya nka o se lumba so se odofo pam mantem
sa
se o munto omubo
wa we bia I don't even well me blocking out ronya bida me de ba blocking out ronya bida
ya be ha me say chocolate and not chocolate na me do bida me de nkonya bro
and no bi obi ka kira me success ya wa se wu dwane ye bu say agwa na wu dwane on ka
so we say chocolate no metobia na fine flavor cocoa
na me so betobia
na me metobi
obetobia ma no sa na me bi say awo na wu dane
David am bisa say why because me di kan bodin Mrs. Augustina Tete onu ana
se wala Mrs. Broken Heart no wanya bi da
Misa me nru ho
wanya bi da
me nru ho nti me nya
the question is wanya bi da
Dabi
wanya Broken Heart da Ajabo What is that?
Ebo 819 na obikasa wonti.
Mimi
what want to say?
Sa me ni ma de kode kra. Me ti senkrofo kan ba me ni ma de kode.
Broken Heart no. What odomuda?
O say.
What odomuda?
O smile den.
What odomuda?
Ma to mu sesen.
What omuntentan? And as what do tumtum? Like
any other dia menti ase.
Umudoma oma emma wo baby da.
Ana say umu odoma na no je say Broken Heart nso di akiri.
Eno na ni Broken Heart ne ba.
Oh David. Ene mire yi mu.
Unya Broken Heart na je so umudoma wo ba pada o.
Oh David. Ene mire yi mu.
Say.
Akwawi ayayi.
Ye mudoma o ba hu.
Enya manko a.
Ye mudoma obi a.
Na nka me se mema na o ma ba sese no. Muso ma na ya ba. Nti obi anche.
Tintola. Obi anjagi obi a.
Obi anjagi obi. Ba o ya omo so mo akonfo no me dey me tu ofofo. Lumbo se odofo pa mantem ti. We ya ukoku nkra bi ana afa na odo ka echire ba o.
Hwe.
Na wakoku hu je se awon so anya den. Ni ya di ba ma na
we. Ba mi hu ni se sa we ya ye omuku omo ho no. Eyo omo spend more on omo partner no.
I don't kire se ku hu.
Da bi beka se masa. Sika was kwadi kwa investment ono nim say sika me di ahwe oba yi de e ka bia anye na bra boni
obesia bibi afri mu na nkwa koku aya na mbisa say ti say adwene ba tim say ko ne koku hu a me anam ka say ebre bia adwen say wo de oni ebusia kwa wo maame enti say say wo maame ti say me ba so mesi ewudi ebe ne eku na wo no na akohye no akonfo a wo maame no jana rehu onto no so de hu make kra na bia odi baba akope o de sa no no so timoko enti no sa unu oba bia tena wa boye se bibia beba wa kwemu bia woni enti a
asam na wo ka no enyu ba ko bia ba metirim me wura fi onipa oto ye but me gidi se me to nwom no a nkrofo be kai onipa na oto sa anyum no omo onwum bi omo to ne se obi abewu ntintuetu obi aso sa na tie bia be wu ntie obi aso ni panwie sa na tie wai e bia ono so ne hyebre ne nkra bia wu no
no se obi be tina koma na ono so bia fam awu
ina mimi amiti hayi
ezi won
Obuoba say eden a wukwa esi atemu o se de enti wukwa na ebi anyankopon bisa se
aseme to dom na mbae
one lege wukwa one lege so as ye ya fire na mienu ni nyina nko wodu na mienu nyina kwa beti ahwe
sa
she
anya so mfa na mienu nyina nko de a na no meme de hu ni se de ma o mafo eye sa ne se o spend wo o partner no ho dia
ne ho akodim
yes anu sa no ntimi o
ho kodim sa no a
about kasa
o kasa with some passing
oh no me but anya experience is the best teacher me that be
but me said all the vim any passing kasa
no ya chani se minimum obi e bia to na me ben no
omo mtimi de yes mtimi ki soap ba no obekọ no de be si nioma the whole day
no that should see
akọ bi o so no so tu ni niema nyina awie ya sha no hu sesa ayo no kwa wan fa she socket
obi de ayi ki soap ba no edisi hanky ba akopẹ
Olivesi cause ageni number bi na ensan so ye aduma
former station room
mamo yes
technician technician your friend Olumai na Olumai nya Broken Heart otimi na koba ebi o mepo aduma so otimi ko jam na ye kwa o se ye shedan fa girl ni fie na me so anda be se girl ni hu ne keke
Oza Eh say ya won. Na be ya challenge o. Ba duru ba bia e nwanwa say dia wo kan. Eni kwa say okun ho. Eduru ba bia boa wo. Say dia na wo kan me experience ba ko beni. Enya me dia na me kan dia. Say me akumi ho na me tie yi. Ya na me tie.
Say na me ka say mo so the air condition man right. Because
Joe, like me dey nya say me spend dey. That be me dia me
because me share we nimu no. And me say dia say me who can with some passion.
Me dia me man spend it. Me spend it dia me that be me nya ni sa. But dia tie ni say utimi budo mu obi. So what ya say utimi do obi. Say dia nya na ma obi on ma unyim ni da wo hu a. Sa na tie. So hu. But me dia na see ya na boa me. Because oba no hu ni say ono high class. So what you say?
Who say we nyane level?
Yes, me nyane level. Enti eba ne say na me so me say metro challenge. E dia ma no. Eni say me na hu say ba bi ohun ni say me no e bia me ntimi nuru no. Meduru ho. So what you say? Enti me focus here. Ena nei so nya ya so obeba.
So ntimi ma.
So ntimi ma.
Ti say so no obi ado adwempa ni onya ya.
Obeba.
Go betena ka ni.
Awurade nya
so yi si fom.
Me nyina akora. Enfutu amebo agu ho no.
Mistake ya mebu.
E ti be say ya wo kan na vim wo mu ni nyina na je say e wo moti.
Oh yes, ane de. Say nyina na bi on ma de mo.
We are diwa ho adanse enye we diwa obi ho adanse experience no say na tie because ebi no say ya na senketenkete ya chew udidi a wo me ya say sukom de wo rough bi wo hara so show de
eja bo on say de tie ni say me no that level so nche da nya me level but on say mfa so yo obi odi kan ba akwan ni muti no na
ana una so eso ya na ya no
se wo
so ara se why engofu enyum mo to so nsi wo ya so nsi no
ayo baby wo
I so hu bi da
ji ya
say on to na mo da
no akota brebo yesi enya no
amama kai
wanzo I don't know wanzo fife na gusu ato na da ono so
amama kai
wai na no wa asema
ya na tie no ya no aduane a ti se da ebeku akokọ no ye bedi fufuo ni nyina wie na ya hohoro ye nsa hohoro nam ne ho Ewurade nyame ni abomode de nam no akosie akoya adwuma wo fi ho nyina wie na anadwo no ye pie ne ekodi agora na nam ni tia ye nsa cha ye
no bia
hu say na yeku akọ edi kira to no
azemo edu ba bia ya na ha adwunu said ya woka no edu ba bia
ade wo kwa de ka udi agora nka mo de obetwi nsuo nyina o
oh dabi
sa
o me recover ntem
unya virus no
yes me
recover ntem
me mama quarantine me recover ntem
oh but wo ho kra na no obi wo ha utimi say asumesi ni ye ni na yi na emwa efo na watwe ho
yes
but ye ni de hu ni say obi counselor bi o say staying in a relationship because of love isn't enough. Enough.
Chama de na gi gawa so.
Oh, Kobe K.
Obi say o ha na e yo say o kwa do nchire.
Na say Ewurade nya gupo. Anya zo. Edu ba bi say. Utimi gina utimi kwatra toilet no so ba bi. Aya say o kwa toilet na ateso. Obetima atena so a obi ama na oteso. Wo so afọ ne wo. Ya say wadwi no etimo yam ye o ya force.
Sa.
Hey.
I say e wo say wo kọ dua so.
Yes.
Wo kọ tena dua so no.
Wo so ahwe ma. Na o say so na fifre sanyo.
Obinye you breye.
Obabre chama obabre. Omga do so mla obwa. Ba ji so ka osisu so.
Enti oba ko se wuti a ene confess.
Ono anu zadi aye kai.
Esa so asase yom ya sheshe.
Go for program yom ye obi adi mawu.
Aye so Obuoba asase en se yom ya sheshe ase enfa no bi.
So say ba ni sa so anu mo pe wo so danfo. E ba ni sa na Mummy and you be up on your go down for. And I did challenge in Bado.
Aqua, dear, the buyer. Would you name me and him? Name me. Quajo, no head. Quajo. Oh, Bono. I felt that the Avano. Age more brepen. Age more brepen.
Maybe the idea about co woman say, and a wow. Depending on the situation, no. So, maybe the Nipan a dear with digital one, and I am ya.
Class in a bear.
Yes, and I am ya. Can you say, Bia? Send your mother.
Now, others are better way day.
Oh, Sabran, your name, Yagro, Chamai. Michelle Grau, change something in Zachi. And Yagro. Oh, so
I was out to some. I mean, you baby, I'm a bit dree.
Oh, I am a fan.
Baby, I'm a bit dree. I thought that you almost said, Yamia. Oh, Samuel. About Fabre, broken heart today. But suicide and your option.
Oh, no.
Send your kind. I was say, Union see.
Yeah.
Now, also so the show to me, microphone be or hold on. Baby, I copy pay, Juma be brave. Oh, my imagine say, me, but you go so hard, who see. I know who Juma. They will chase you.
Sure.
So as yeah. Say obi say or titini who go so me man how.
Yeah.
But catch who say e dey ntini man titini ho no. So onye hu ade kod no a then no wa shase say we your ho adwuma.
Yes.
O shase say we adwuma. Na say baby wo no mo the application ko e. O ma mu ayen. But ene o munya ya na nka wo ho. So as yeah. Enti koswa na prove you wrong. Mom who say you yi to twene ye no. Na no nkyere say wi ase ya no.
Sure. Nti no.
Na nurse ni kama wo usima koko.
Oh, ya nurse awu kun wa ide. Etu onu de nse be investment. Investment ndi adu be ko wuom.
Investment.
And adu be ko wuom.
Sama ni ho akodi mu.
And de wan hwe adu be ko wuom. Ya he de bi do be so.
Asana. If you na de ya na do so mo fa chronicle no. Monfa chronicle no na yen hwe anamase issue no na fe yen fancy ana eni
fe no bre ewum
ma dream fa no na wo mfa ma hu se ahenkan de no so eni na ne mu na wo so afa ahenkan de
okay anya ye ko the chronicle mraso sem da obo krata no mu nsem enie na wode aye mrase we dwamu chi amenyin fo nyi diaba Ora Urban Kingsford Babin fonyi dia bawa ha ana o kire mu se sa dom kase no dom keto mum kafra o ma no dafo na yayi o mo foforo no ana o tu o mo fo ne se mo ba no mo fa asumdue mre o ma mo memme yibia ya kan se how bia ai mo fa asumdue mra san so mo mo no na asumdue no de to ti we ora atofo se ne nkrofo no ana mra se bedwam chi ame ne etu o mo efo no.
But we quite you say. Don't be troubled. Mamu nsuro. Mamu ya mo nhihye mo.
Okay.
Metamochi.
Oh yo.
Yo. Enti nkofo bi o ma hye de true shade a. Obi timi sore. Na media mi free efia ya tetimi wom. Enti mi nkotena pani akonwa so. Sa akuti abon kete no.
Tron so ba akuti bi wo.
Enye. Amra do nwom oto ye. Be ma obubu akuti ya. Mempe. So I say nti akuti abo akuti a se media me ye pani yetiti mi fia ya titi mi ofie nti mi nkotena pani akonwa so no enye
ai as ani as speaker so bo akuti a
da bi speaker
onu de otufo onu tufu se ma mu nsuro ehumbo bi ere haru na mu akuti a mo bebo
metamachi
dinga akuti an nke bi a atufo sin baye minority leader na ko gusuti baby otina
dabi
send on
sam ba na konwa
dabi me na me kasa asese ne akuti aboni mu nsem no me ye pem ya titi mi ofie ti mi nkotena pani akonwa so sen na ko ti baby otina na haruna suti baby dabi
ye tu afiri akonwa no so dia wo se wo firi so mu
na se akonwa de ya se da abo akonwa ni din dia ma no no so ande wontim ga se won sole sei
na wo sore ya na wo gbo akuti ya
bia woni mire o
ani o bo wa ha yesu wo su ha na iduru su wo su se odinya kunya wo mra che bedwafie na kunya ayira so ohwe Tamale South. Or when I go down Blashe fie. Nyagro.
Ombema ni bi atena so.
Oni obotre. Onya abotre ne de beba. Na eye owura atofo se pempen oye dom keto no dani. Eye adwuma ko enyame sam abato mpesu asom na hyebedwani. Wono so ambulance bi hu sensem bi no. Se wo kai. Eno so asem no yese da so da ho.
Omo abre so de no ana.
Ai.
Ayi sa. Na sa no kwa de yese ye ka ayi speaker crown so ho beba mu because no so wo. I think it's our ministry ho.
And yese asem na aye bibia o but atofo se nya no kore. On the no on fa obi asika ngoto. Mundan man ngene no. Etini wasem the boka tai ewa ha.
Say honorable Bagmi no so ka the three wise men ho. No ka ho. Say the three wise men na yo no. Is it my women friends near Yikoko 2 no. ET Mensa no so ka ho.
ET Mensa. No nan tu
ET Mensa yeah. Dear Sam George ko 2 and a man back is avocat na bibi. I want to know me 3 wise men no. And some as you are my move.
Easy. Ayi yesi askwa wa mo enso so asendi bia no. Owura no ya kan say swame abato mbesu aso owura ya. Aja ono so ko kan nsem bi.
I say almost ni nickname no. Omo friend no Asiedu nketia. General mosquito.
Ne ho kete se wono a.
And I'm say me na me so sin no so no so sin me I don't know. I say no we di nonsense. Na mom yemra achim na ma.
An ye bai. Yesi ukopiam wo achim anamase a ehonum yesi chase huriye bi ahyase e ma no me so ho. Ni nyina sa menteme wase efa odi kuro bi a yede no esi akunya so. Nti ehun nsem aye bebre ene afane afa omotwe
na ne ameme titie ne se odi kuro yi omo de no si so ahomache pa be se 3 am ene omo de ni si so na ama assignment me ho ase kakra akoso ebi mu kire se abusua kuo no se ye wo abusua we mu na omo si omo kire se ono no mfiri emu bia mu enti me no ka say ohempon a wo mpotem ho ama wo mo ate ekuo bedwakuo a omo na omo hwehwe saa nsem ni mu na asumdwe atumi aba ho crème de la crème payufu akese pa en wo mo so enti ye besre na sene nana a wo mpotem ho ni din no ni pronunciation no medin kakra eni ntina me pese mekoka ati no empanimfu din de unimu a no aka wano atum but nana wo mpotem ho no no nana pon wo mpotem ho no no waje asem no so mo behwa aka masumdua ba nti esro mo hwe na asumdua mra mpotem ho
achem se ahennie ni sie no de atren sa ahomache na ya omusi no
ono no de no se eno mo ka se just information na kasa ni nyina o chronicle mu
yeah sure
but me information ni bi wa ha and nti na ma nsu mi titi ho no
okay
ye be nya botre na ya kirekire mu but e bi enye ne
you ready say bejo
ene de ekodi weekend nti no wo say obi ade asumdue kokodi
obi anya ne hu fi bi awa
sa
yeah great
Ebusia ma memfa AHENKAN newspaper and to us fact house na ensem ni bi wa twetwe so papa pelti e bebo boy no so take ara wusam ye si wo hoi ene e be si na ye si atwu ye hu no na wo mo de thermal camera yi bie akotwa hwese wo mahu se bebi a atwu na wo wa earthquake ni si ye no ese nipa bebre hihye ho enipa bebre hihye ho a ye yi wom intene ya mane boy no so free turkey eba no na ukopie mu ewe nyinam so de amebu no ene aposifo wo mu die sie ni nyina ne sa aposifo achinkofo bi a wo mu so mu tu fo magudie ne kwan a wo mu fa so etu no famra kwan so ane ya chi wom ti mebu ni sa wo mu nte ase hu foni AHENKAN newspaper de aba na ba ku a eno ne fa ye ho eno ne fa ye ho a ene efiti nra no si akase ya abomu ane say Ube PM wa achim oda government hospital wa yesi oxygen eni ho. Ebi ni ho. Enti ene isa wo yali putuprum ya du kokoduo na eba ne se ye de sikan be kan ye koye operation na ye ntimi nye efise oxygen eni ho na arawusam ne se ahenkan ye yeti ye no yamfa ye tumi susa na ye ne yate ne ye be se ye di kan ni mpanifo bi ye preya sanka ye ne wo mo be kasa ne yate nsem no mu kiremu adwen na na edi enim adwen ne nesi
me omo ka kire me se me ntro krata officially emfamra na omo nso so mu akire emfa nkomo mo mpanimfo wo kofudua
ansa ne abaye oxygen
omo mpanimfo no omo mpanimfo no before so mbe kasa no before mbe kasa no na omo mpanimfo mo go ahead na omo akasa ana nso so say Ghana Health Service e PRO nti gi say ono ene betimi ayeden aka ho asem
mami bi sawa asem right to information meboa salon say na ye ejuma fa
right to information e say wo tro agency kro no tro kwa na information open no mo di amount na etimi me no sa na mo ka che me ni problem about it o and omo kan sa asem no ntumi mforte wom because I am ran omo so mo di so I say but ye besre e wom say ye mra ya practice ya for a while now ye information bi won ma ye ni ya information na mu entimi release enti say sa mra no mo besesem na district sa no obi abetimi akasa ma ne ho a obi ankasa ma ne ho because o ka chem say me frɛ PRO a won kran a PRO no enye ne net wodan ha but wo na ye no te ha ne de ubetimi akirikire mu yie enti emra no ewo ho no ena ye besere mpanimfo no na omunya hu bibi because issues be to say oxygen so dire to say again over the table of kan ye the dire consequences of oxygen no ebi ni ho a e ha dwen
enti obo sa process a wo kan ye wo ka say wo go through unim emre bedi ansan wanya response na open no and the response no kwa married solution
and I make us say omo direct me say me go through sa channels no omo nya hwe
yeah
enti and you ba mo nchen say you be information mo say no you have to respect omo mra no so I say enti emra no na ba bia ya beduru ya feel say enye bureaucracy na doso enti yanya hu bibia then it's another topic for discussions but bibi ni na say omo kan sa akire yan wo se yetwe omo do omo to aba no table no so ni hu omo achi masa no oxygen issue so serious enti obu on mo betimi aka cho no ye free a ya the doctors ni be free aka cho say pa cho ni me no kan die off records so ya say na wa kan se ma kire wo no obetena ha na wo kan you don't refer to him or her o kan at your own peril so I say enti I was here respect omo so omo decisions sa no na omo ka sa kire yan because so na so lambasti omo sa no say the medical kan emra no na feel say ache emwan a yensisem na fe yamra back to oxygen sem no me de me omo ka sa ka chem say ne ebi beba na problem no dey solve but the issue is omo an endurance omo hia oxygen no omo nwu ana ye wo anybody be one my essential ye mfa ni agro oxygen identity na etimi tina ase manesa
ajabo he dia wo kan wo hu meti ase pa I think that last we omo ka say receipt asa no so okay receipt
yes our hospital ho
yes receipt ye twere also obi ba
the identity na wasa wo tina ase manesa ye wa administrator ho so mo na mo here today running off
omo yesi machine mo na say sorry
omo machine
omo de eye no e na asay
omo de eden
omo de etwa receipt no sa machine etwa receipt no
so ukotua no ma ne wi a was omo print ma
yes e de mount out no eno asay enti na nkofo bu ono mo ko emergency akogya yarehwe wo so mo ye payment before say ye be mo yes omo antimi anye sa we na ma wo mo emo mu nya na omo ho enu sei on say eye nipa nkwa
I don't hear internal administrative works Inti bibi sa no me ba you can't refer me to say me nko a friend is saying kufu duo say dey. So that's it. And I make can say omo no ebe dependi ayonkofa ana sani ebi awoko present you case. Oko na oko present you case no a. Oxygen semi sani a wo be present wo ho no ebetimi ama waka nsem ni bi akyere wo. But obe mo ate ase say o ko ba amane a menka se eyo no a. So that's it. In this administrative you okay administrative work I know na internal. Enti wo ko ho no mo a they should be able to make themselves available for you. Now mo nkyerɛkyerɛ mo nkyerɛ say oh we be a fault bi na ba ye but ye hwɛ se be rectify.
But I think say when you know you can also say something say be a say so that say me no me
I make say me call ye no omo ka bi kyerɛ me but I no ne off records but say e be a maba radio so me pese ye ne obi kasa e de fa sa asɛm ne ho then omo protocol no na bam sa omo quantity na bam ana na me ka onti ase o me pese ye do call radio so me pese ye do call TV so no I tell so okay mo no call radio so ni TV so dia I just say me give permission but some ba ho na ma kyerɛ say mo akyerɛ wo ho ne de eno de omo ye ne da ana unya nti ase
mate ase
enti eno no ye besere wo mo oxygen de essential commodity enti ya memo mo ntena ho ma ensa kra esa nyina no na mo hwe bi gum enkrofo ye we nsan kra ono no hwe se nani so atete ne kra o
dabi
tete nani so no na obu bi gum na oxygen ya tete nani so ni nkonim gu akire saa enti tete nani so a na otwa kakra tete nani so anti ono no oburu a nani so ntene da o
sure ya nhwe
enti owie mo wie dia na ye beto aso wa ha no mo okay ananka wo be fire wo na madum jare boko no
oh me dia me ndua no nyina me ma fire wo ma wie
sa
me ma fire wo because anybody me ma fire wo ma wie because adentina say dia wo kan adentina wo se ye tran wo ma ne sa ade a eno na agi nipa nkwa na ade no so no ye de suo bi so a enye free ye charge wo ho so hu
nipa ni tua
ye ka se do oxygen suo bi so a enye ska keto a ye bodin o because him say ne boarding so we charge according to ade no aye de ma wo no say de be ya ibetima nya bi agum
yes me kai say me war hospital ho no omo de akola keto bi efi villages ne ba ko bai akola no kure wawu awie kra but obai na omo de oxygen ni si ne so na nurse fo no tena ne nchen miemia ne bo asisi a wasan ba no nti no oxygen de hu hia
na yetimi tena wa say asa for a whole day the whole day government so the question is if says like a private hospital kasani be manage na me nya say me fire oda hospital for no form one more but the health facilities na kasa health we na kasa department na kasa
no si anso no kwaku ajima manu ana regional director oxygen san wo dan na wa mfa report an kwa no be da hu
enti mu nyina be ka mo
enti ye de ya fire no fire yi o mo so
enti me nyu mu nyina be fa mo enti wa be fa wo no ye wo bi wonu ma definitely won ye na tena office wo se wonya hu adwuma enti wo na wanya wo duty wa mfa report na ankwa at the right time imponya so wa mfa report ankwa wo tena wo ma ne san ye no ade na be se wo ka kire yen
but me nya shon so be tena wo se oxygen ensa den ya wo mo oti
they want they what here no odin temu be ba na nipa be de ho se bi o mawu awi a na so mfa so ne de hin
that is the system aye wo Ghana ha
awurade nyankopon system yi
ma me na masia na fi yentwa so ewo eha no mo de bon kata mo boso no na atwa gu sisi a no enti anka adwen press for san fire madum gya no boko ene efiada enti no yendum gya na fe yentwa so ha no mo sima no aduanan ensia 46 minutes after 8 Shenenson Maakye ani dwumadi aguso awuti oframe Obuoba Ofori Amanfo ti adwempa hene kofi mensa enkasa nso ena wote maame akuya janewa oti wono nso so enka babia yadru no nso de wadwen kyerɛ bɛba 0594841044 0594841044 wode bɛfa hɔ de aba na afei yɛakenkan ne kama de ama wo saa nso na wobɛtumi de afa Facebook anaasɛ YouTube ɛba a ɛno nso so yɛbɛhwɛ na yɛtumi yɛdi ho dwuma kama ɛde ama wo yɛbɛkɔ ahoma no so akɔdi nkɔmmɔ sisi a yɛne Mrs. Bernice Imperi Jachi ɛkɔ akɔtwetwe nkɔmmɔ wɔno ne yɛ coordinator Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition yɛne ne nkɔtwetwe nkɔmmɔ maame wote yɛnka no pɛ yi anka ne fam so ni Maakye na bibia bɔkɔ deɛ nyame adom yɛn nso yɛ ho yɛ papaapa 2.3 million adesuafoɔ ɛna wɔn mu ni akonnwa ɛte so ɛwɔ Ghana saa na mwaka
mepacho yo no korem
okay wadaroma hefa ne hefa na moyɛ nhwehwɛmu a mohu sɛ nea ɛkɔ so yi ɛkɔ so
yo dedi kan no eka sɛ yɛda mo ase sɛ mo so mo pɛ sɛ yɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ na adekyerɛ ne adesua ɛkɔ yi ɛwɔ yɛ man yi mu nhwehwɛeɛ no yɛ bi wɔ Central, Eastern, North but ade baako a na yɛka afa nhwehwɛeɛ mu no ho ne sɛ asɛ mmɔfra se school no anaasɛ basic schools no akadeɛ a wɔde sua adeɛ no na wɔde kyerɛ adeɛ no atɔsin bebree wɔ mansin bebree apart from nkonnwa na nkwalaa no nya ntena so no yɛayɛ nhwehwɛmu afa school dan sɛdeɛ ɛteɛ beebi a nkwalaa no te environment no nyinaa sɛdeɛ ɛteɛ no ɛnyɛ yɛyɛ akorampo no nso po ne sɛ desk ne bi wɔ hɔ nom a nsɛ sɛ nkwalaa baako na ɛbɛtena so nkwalaa mmiɛnsa ɛna ɛte so classroom a ɛwɔ sɛ nkwalaa bɛyɛ sɛ 30-40 na nkwalaa bɛyɛ 100 ɛna ɛwɔ class baako nti yɛn basic schools ne deɛ resources ne adesrɛ ne adesua na ɔmo hia no ɛnkɔ nti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛtwe aban adwene esisi sɛ na ɔmo nfa sika no anaasɛ sɛ ɛmi nyinaa ɛnkɔ senior high school senior high school no ɛyɛ ade a yɛde ato mu na mmom no yɛse yɛnhwɛ na yɛnsakra mu sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɛho ɔhaw ne nyinaa ɛda aban so no deɛ ɛso ɛnte kakra na ɔmo ho ɛheha a ɔmo te sɛ basic schools no sɛ yɛanhwɛ ne yɛ ama ɔmo akadeɛ ɛhia ɔmo de bɛsua adeɛ a ɛbɛyɛ bɛn ɛna yɛtumi atete mmɔfra a ɔmo di mu mpo na ɔmatumi akɔ free senior high school no nti desk na sɛm ne deɛ ɛha adwene mmɔfra no bi wɔ hɔ ɔmo deda fam nanso yɛ documentary bi ɛwɔ join me so wobɛhu a mmɔfra no bi ɛdeda fam ebi tete fam bɛsi ɛnnɛ saa mmere mu a yɛwɔ wɔ Ghana na mmɔfra da so tete fam da fam na esua adeɛ deɛ a ɛha adwene paa
enti saa deɛ yɛ practice yɛ akyɛ from time immemorial ɛna yɛ nyinaa yɛ ana yɛsu de kyerɛ aban mɛma yɛ nkonnwa wonyi ni sɛ baabi a Ghana yɛduru sisi ya no ɛbra so a ɛwɔ sɛ awofoɔ nso yɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛ yɛ onni a certain responsibility afa yɛ mma ne ho sɛ impo yɛde strategy bi de bɛba na yɛahyɛ aseɛ madam bi a anaasɛ maame bi a wɔfa kwadaa baako ho ka atɔ akonnwa ama no a anka bɛboa yɛn sɛ de bia ne yɛde yɛni to aban so no
Menya saa kwan no so no ɛbɛboa nti no basic schools no yɛwɔ structure bi ne mpanimfo a wɔhwɛ school no so yɛfrɛ biribi sɛ school management committee ɛna yɛn a school ɛwɔ yɛn mpɔtam no ɔmo wɔ mpɔtam no nyinaa wɔ asodie bi sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo boa na school no ɛkɔ so fine nti mpanimfoɔ bi saa amanfoɔ bi saa bɛtumi aka ɔmo ti abɔ mu na ɔmo atumi aka sɛ ɔmo bɛma mmɔfra ne nkonnwa na ɔmo de akɔ school but sɛdeɛ aban nso ɛbɔ de rofa nneɛma ho sɛ bibia yɛ free yɛbɛyɛ bibia yɛde wei bɛma mo no ɛsa na awofoɔ ne nkɔfoɔ bi nso ɔmo yi ɔmo ani na ɔmo responsibilities no ɔmo ntumi anyɛ biem nti ɛno na yɛ problem nti wɔ sɛ yɛsan kɔ back to community involvement in basic school running anaasɛ in every school bi a ɛwɔ community no mu no community no ɛyɛ stakeholders parents ɛyɛ stakeholders nti ɔmo ho sɛ ɔmo nnwuma no ebi bɛtumi ayɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛma desk ɛne nneɛma mmɔfra no bɛkɔ school ɛbɛnyia de akɔ school na adesrɛ ne adesua efu mu a anka ɛbɛboa paa nti mɛ ne wɔyɛ adwen sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ awofoɔ ne nkɔfoɔ bi boa nneɛma mmɔfra ne desk nanso aban nso ɛhwɛ kwan a ɔmo fa so a ɔmo nso ɔmo bɔ ɔmo de do na ɔmo ka ɔmo nsɛm ɛwɔ yɛn free education system no.
Maame ma yɛn ase biribi ani ɛbɛsan ba wo nkyɛn bio mu. Yane Urayere Benny Simperija China Coaching Common Coordinator Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition. And Yene Kokobo and Komono Nyankopon ya Domoa on the 14th of February, a Vows Day, Valentine Day. Na sa Valentine Day we no ye yamana ye kama pa Ahenkan FM ye ne Brifaland Hotel ya kabum na dwumadie kese a ye die eye adofo eda ene ye beda na dane pa ma dano ye kama pa enti adwumefo wa ha ene adwumefo e wo Brifaland kabum achim manso Presby school no echi hono a manso Presby ne echi hono a ena ubehunu eye Brifaland Hotel ye tun sa de afradofo fa wodofo ne bra be kan ye ho ne nyina nka mom na sa da no asa adidie onom ene ani gensem nko a ena ebekoso ewo ho no mo eya na wahye ne nso no nwotwe ken na dwumadie no ahyase a eye Valentine's Day ebeye oja kama pa Winners Senior High School nso me nka nkyerɛ wo sɛ woje oba no ama ne ntete ama oba be ye panimpa o my Ghana ha enti sɛ ye A and B na wo pɛ dia wasi no obɛtwerɛ atwa wo ai ɛwɔ sɛ wo kɔ Winners Senior High School san sɛ Ghana Education Service ama wo mutumi nkrataa sɛ wo betumi ama ɔmanfoɔ no ntete ɛwɔ enwomasua emu nti te sɛ General Arts, General Science, Business, Home Economics, Agric Science ye kyerɛ ni nyina ɛwɔ Winners Senior High School your facilities bebree wɔ hɔ no mo a practicals ahoroɔ de yɛkɔ twi bɔ brɛman nyina no oba Winners ya onso so nsa betimi aka wo de nti wo free hɔ no na wankasa ma wusa mpa discipline ɛne adesua kɛseɛ ɛna etimi akɔso ɛde ama wo akatua ho nsɛm no ɛno so yaya mana yɛ fofofo pa sɛ ne bɛya obi ya nso so betimi atua na ɔno so anya enwomasua so mfasoɔ bra Winners na ma wo ba no emra meji entete ebeboa wo enu achi ye di Divine Academy nso di aba ye Winners Divine Academy nso e free crèche nursery ekosi JHS ena ye man entete wo ho no mo a Winners Divine Academy no esemi kan tell say your boarding facility wo ho ye wo day enso so de wo ho no mo ye san so wo cars a ye de so ankoda ne free fie edu mo ba school mu ne ye pon so asan de wo mo akọ mepacho fa wo ho hyembi oba no se owo henfa obetimi de naba ama no nso so aba beje entete enkokwa amanfrum otra Obuoba village a ye ni Chidom restaurant ne di enmhwe eya na wa frɛ principal amuzu ewo 0244571927 0244571927 and 0208193788 0208193788 frɛ principal amuzu na fei benefit ya ewo mu nyina no onso so enya bi ye free wono mo ane ye de asedan bi ma sobo tea wono so ba ya na kyese wode aduro we kura no eye tea esan ye duro obo tea no na san ye onipadua no ho adwuma e de ama wo ebe boost wo immune system no enu nti ye de hwentia pepra mako e na borobe e na ye de afra na ye de aye yes soboti no a o ma wonsa ka bi e beboa o pa 100% natural ingredients and ye dia fry ye we patch 0551119620 0551119620 and 0244 087695 0244087695 eh number be friend yetumi ajo so manfo e wa achim wodan ebeko Alhaji Hankuri Enterprise Frimpon Enterprise Nana ya Provision Store anti adwan so okone ho a wonsa ebeka bi aboabofo yenso so yebeko ye aboabo mall ehon so kwa a wonsa ebeka bi abusunya ba bi a yeduru no yebedane ye ho ohun yeba na yedede aka nyina de aba betoatoa so e de ama ba before mame mfa sedane biemu nso enkonfama Jubilee Hospital enefia da imi no ka sei enkyerɛkyerɛ dwumadie no ɛkɔso ye kyerɛ wo sɛ de wo yɛ diabetes ni wo yare diabetes hypertension na wo yade a sɛ ne obɛnum waduro sɛ ne obɛdi waduane na wo ho atimi atɔ ntɛntɛntɛntɛntɛm eguso a ɛkɔso dendenden wani ɛne wanya problem wo ho wutimi posasa wanhwe ya obenya ɔhaw kɛseɛ saa nso so ɛna gyina hɔ na gya yare sa ye gye wato hɔ ne adandan wa ma ho atɔ lab no nso ye be check de ama pharmacy aduro bi a wo pɛ wo ba hɔ a sa ebeka bi pharmacy nso wo ho antenatal care no ne ye ne se oba penfo yi e wo so ko ho no mo 24/7 kopim bra wo be wo ebre no so no be wo ai maternity wo ye beje wo kama operation be mu e ho a ye be ye wo postnatal care enu ye weyin wo de akola ne be kwa kopim bra ne ho be ye dindindin kama na che ye ne ye kro no emmema no so mra me check wo prostate ye be twa wo scan nti e wo se wo prostate no check na wo hunu level a wo gina na watimi aye ho adwuma yie achim odan aboabo amantra eye kwantempon so na wo be hunu yen odan aboabo amantra bridge no so ho a na wo be hunu yen ya no afren 0244575799 0244575799 na 0241 784645 0241 784645 yaji insurance no national and private Jubilee Hospital womu kra yi mu pa Amazing Training Foundation so ejina mu bi or the eda ba ku si ho na wama yen nkyerɛkyerɛ nteteye e de afa nsanu adwuma ho enti ye be kyerɛ sɛ ne ye biodigester sɛ ne ye nwa emire sɛ ne ye air freshener sɛ ne ye nku bam yi bi liquid soap alata samana azuma twade yi obonkruwa no sɛ de ye no after wash parazone shower gel ena floor cleaner ye be kyerɛw semina nso so a yedi si nioma eno so ye be kyerɛw ne yedi dware weedicide ye be kyerɛw nso sɛ ne ye ɛwo ena sɛ ne yenyen ennam mepacho ni nyina ade a amazing training ebe kyerɛw de daba akopɛw ena ode kyerɛw sa ade nyina na o ba betua 50 Ghana cedis e dia register na fe 200 Ghana cedis 200 Ghana cedis no e training fee no na training fee no ubenya manual ena certificate pen drive no nso so omo de ma enipa me ne wo kasa yi within 2 weeks no omo be ba betwerɛ wo mudin ana omo ba betua sika no bia to ho no ye be ma mo pen drive free sa pen drive no so no yen training ahodo no bebre no awo so nti o ya na ore ya fi ho a na wabɔ akai wo ho nti ya na wa hyɛ ne nso de amame dwumadie no ebekɔ so nyame ya adom a 4th March bosumi a yebekɔ remu no ne da eto so enan ewo Church of Christ achim odan runabout ɛhɔ no mo na dwumadie no ebekɔ so eni nti ya na wa hyɛ ne nso de amame companies yada roma omukra yi mu ya na wa frɛ omo 0244 858 0244 and a 0544 054179 fresa number no na register with the SCC a medofo ma yentwa ye homra ye ba ye de aka nyina de to aso ama wo.
Say you can say Dominion herbal powder emma immune system and then kwabo wo nipadua mu ne yeden na ne senti wo tadi yare sun kunimu a ehu adanse bi ne o
adron de fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya ye se me se
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse enti na be kanfo ne aye ewo me nipadua mu no eburo madwen ene mente ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enwanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo Biagumu, what transit yanum, what we Angels Dominion Herbal Center, one cocoa and a diaba, a pen for a baton more monufo, and Quada when you feed me to one count. Dodo afre 054 315 8195.
FDA, Aji Egadian Kratui Atum.
Supermarket ha mamaniaje pa ebraba Charles we and the fridge we dey me sha every Ghana ha
hey asani awo yo di for wu ne pepepe every Ghana ha fra broche na mum ya dia broche bagana WAS Bioengineering Ghana Limited akra niema bi to say shells fridges trollers basket afa sales decks e mai 24 nyina sa wo store no eye shop anasa mo ni nyina wo benya wo die
shopping mall ya me ko mo nchanya Charles ombetimi aba abehye bi wo ho de amame
se ne wo pen no sa pepepe
ha kyerɛ me omokyira kwan
anya WAS Bioengineering Ghana Limited ewa amasamai enkran wo pay a chapia depo na wo betimi so afra wa mu wo mai so 0240 530 496 and I say 0542 325 584 0509 994 592
Sir, me pebia, on bet me the abreme.
One bet me the abron.
Thank you. Me kwa hosesia.
super sub cement and superstar cement and CID. Messi for the contractor for the Tuabuso and some G's enterprise and a cover cement in Ediaba. And to your Messi, we are contractor who be a project beer and a super sub cement and a superstar cement and no necessary water. And one day, the great no, and a 42.5 hour and 32.5 hour. Now, so go to superstar cement and don't say 32.5 and getting now and no penny cement and you 55 kilos. Ya show 5 kilos free. Nina, and some G's enterprise and I'll go for your back motor. Some G's enterprise and to iron raw size baby and Uti, who be super cement and a superstar cement and I say iron ross need you to some G's enterprise Akimota a mantra Genetics filling station no and a bullshit Frewomo it was 0243 583190.
Hey, na den e ko so amani agi say.
What's in so when I think it try no Vicky pass papa. Even mathematics onya A1, science A1, social studies A1, English language A1. What pass yankasa.
Hey, na school ben no eni omo yade o.
Only believe senior high. Woman man kanya crowd. Teachers for no woman penny papa.
Hey, me buy ko tro ne de enye crowd. Hey, mass nya.
Faniko only believe.
English nya.
Faniko only believe.
Science so enye crowd.
Oh, me say Faniko only believe senior high. Omo ya courses ni nyina. E penny for sister banchinya. E jane kire. Abofra no de wo sister ni tia bon na wo hu hwe ya. Faniko only believe. Afi wo mo tro so hwe ni nyina pa. Me nua, e mo afra no ya dachi o. BC so hwe wo mo tro ye. Say wa pass yo. Say won pass yo. Faniko only believe. Na je sia me ne we ka say no wo mo bia admission na wo mo chi mmofra no. Form 1, Form 2, konya da ho no mo se sia make ka say.
Hey, enti awofo ani age o mo ye de say.
Yen kan kire. Ya say body ani one ye din kanfo. Only believe papa. Abofra ne ko ho na ne so hwe ne de. Ko bia school be ma chire for me for so mmofra na pass ne de. Wo mo be ye. Wo school fees so de ne border from boko. Obetima tua ne installment. Kakra ko say abofra ne be wie school. E school ya pia ne platform ma wo chi admission. School fees ne kra de e ma ne nya dadwen. Wo de ne say wo de wani be chire mu. E wo only believe senior high. E for wani chire mu wo achim go krantum. Anasa fresh 0240 202 148. Anasa 247 670 736. And 0500 041 317. Only believe senior high school. Yeah, yeah,
Ghana adisiye Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Me pato yeda asese wa twen yam yakoto nkraba ye to aso hye ne so fama me maache eni dwumadie no edin a glorious happy birthday and confirma ofrewo owusia reta o achim aboabo yese ne ye awoda enti ye ma wo awoda soronko nyankopon onhira na onto nkwa enem emfama we efri kwadwo bafo ahenkan FM ha ena ose yen wehyew owusia reta ene ye wawoda nti o ma wo awoda pa yebetoa so na yakoyen anim hye ne nso mami biom se dwumadie ne din de maache menso ofreme Obuoba Ofori Amanfo wadwenkyere no onsu betumi dia ba 0594 841 044 0594 841 044 ubetimi ede wo de afa ho no mo ede abreyen na yakenkan ne kama we ede ne de abanti ma yenkenkan ma no say good morning to you o bo adwuma pa na bibisa say NDC party no mo da so te ase de regards Senkoma Ghana president in waiting why Dr. Usue Free Yakuto or say Akuto is real and workaholic Akuto saying workaholic Akuto tops all water and wadi abanana ya obuachi ya domupuku ajiman wono nko ni din enono wenzu sa AHENKAN FM the best in the east. You guys are doing a very good job, great job or saying all over the country monko so na mun keep the fire burning moye abozege thank you and wadi ato you see a friend Obin Popkin yeah that's it aboabo na Obin Popkin edi ne message free ebaye. Eno ne nea mo de fa normal SMS no de ebaye. Afei nea mo de afa Facebook nso so de aba no ye be kenkan bi de ama wo sisi a. We see a friend of Stephen Boachi. Stephen Boachi said, "Good morning, dear host. Your friend is Stephen. Me wo wasa ekrupon. Ye de Nyankopon say na ye fiada. Na o see in these trying times, no. Ye hear obi to say yira akoto no abeji Ghana for yate. Ohini Kofi enso say good morning, great host. Ye de Nyame ase say ne odi fiada e di ache yen. Na ura kuto nkrofo yi mitimi se papa no wotua pa o data no because an ya no mutimi gi social media no so fa no ya wodwene ho a wonte ase akoto top so indeed baby ya be fa bia akoto asemo okay enti ma me hwese me dey other messages ni bi nso e de beka ho e wo ha ma me mfa we numra. Okay. From the top. Pedro wa as we live, watching live and clear. Ewo Indianapolis, Kumasi town so Kesbin Junction. Nedia odiaba no. Amisco spelele and so DNA or see aka Hawa Kumsen Twaso. Na or just say 2024 about 20 year. A bejina fantastic policies. Nemum enye etutura sem yankonko buru nkrofo nkukum nipa wo a wo bedie nya mrensem bia no Ghana police bechew wo bo Ghana police yaba so machi so ame NDC youth organizer no e won nsem ana okeka no ho owie no se yenchia mpanimfu yi emfa ema no Kobi Educhum enso say keep up the good work o bo adwuma papa o bo adwuma eno achi nso Hailey Selassie EDB aba or say patriotic voices go so and Chiankoma Honorable Alan Kwadwo Chiramatin also your next president or say the ntumi nkuya hu because of amanyosem nti emebunu mu wani na ho owie no say happy birthday and confirma Amponsa Georgina or Wutumu College of Education Hailey Selassie ne de ode aba no we so see a friend saying Stephen Boachi makanda da wasa de hia wa ha Oba Pafela as we say keep up the good work and what they need the abawa ha teacher Kuju Tepa and suso ono say Enchiankoma Honorable Eric Nana Jemai Prempe Nadmo Director General or see Ura Haruna Idrisu the or ye war parliament and the ne kwan so no or ye penny so de on to me and conquer pre on one kasa ni obedie obroni friend of selfishness onko pre no kwa or pray the bebo mining na nti MPC no a mo magi changes ne dia tum NDC mu no e wo se mo manim egu ase pa mo amfa ubu amampanimfo yo yate Dominic Walcott enso so Obuoba this thing you are talking about has happened to me before but breaking say my friend say breaking heart and broken heart yo or say me eto me no me fi mu din Dominic Walcott ne dia wono so edia ba eno no we nso see a friend Ohini Kofi good morning great host ye de nyame ase na ye fiada ono so di akoto hu adanse Papa J enso so de no makan dada wasan edi aba wa ha Asare Steven enso say good morning boss ya je so Asare Steven ne dia wo de ba ye eno no abusia mo adwenkyira mo de to ayen no eno ena yakenkan bi edi ama won nti wo de nya maye a obetumi de aba ba join in live stream no on Facebook and YouTube ni nyina ya AHENKAN933FM FM sanso na obetumi de afa normal SMS ana WhatsApp 0594 841044 0594 841044 odi fa ho no mo so de ba ye behwe na yetimi akenkan ne kama edi ama won hyene nso se ene ye fiada nso de ya na ye mpese pressure beba kurom ene nti issues ni bibiri wo ho no mo ayete ya ne adwodwo no uti insem ni bia na wadwodwo ano no a na ye nyina ye de asumdwe akọ eye weekend no ene nso so ye sign we have another date ye be call Nigeria biom ene ye be call Nigeria na yakọ hwe wo mo abato no ho nsem senia esi etie wɔn kɔ anaasɛ wɔn ba ɛnra nkɔmɔ a yɛbɔ yɛ no ɔte kakra nti sisi ya no sɛ wobɛdi akyire a kɔpem sɛ wɔn bɛto wɔn aba no 25 no wobɛte nneɛma ase sisi ya yɛate sɛ wokɔ Nigeria universities yɛwɔ hɔ no ɔma close no nyinaa because of abatoɔ no enti yɛhwɛ yɛde ani bɛdi akyire na afei yɛn nsa ka panin no a na yɛne no adi mu nkɔmmɔ ɛne nti ya na wahyɛ ne nso de ama me sɛ ɛnɛ nso so no yɛbɛkɔ Nigeria decides no ɛno nso so ɛnɛ yɛbɛkɔ hɔ na yɛdi mu amaneɛ no de abrɛ wo ebia na wonya yɛ a yɛbɛbisa question bi nso so de ama wo nti ɛndra sei yɛwie yɛ no menya question baako firi me papa hɔ me papa ɔyɛ me papa na me nana well ɔyɛ me papa ɛwɔ akyem ase ɔfrɛ yɛ bisa ɛka kyerɛ me sɛ yɛn nsa ka opani no ɛna a yɛmisa no question bi mfa ma no nti yɛatwerɛ ato hɔ no mu a yɛn nsa ka opani no a yɛbɛbisa no ɔnso so ebi a wowɔ asɛm bi a pɛ sɛ wobisa opani no a wobɛtumi de afa 0594841044 ɛde aba na wɔn so yɛn nsa ka no yɛtumi abisa no kama ɛde ama wɔn Samchi Enterprise sɛ anɔpɛ mi nka nkyerɛ wo sɛ wopɛ baabi akɔtɔ cement ɛde akɔsi odan wokɔyɛ project bi wopɛ cement ɛde akɔyɛ saa project no a ɛyɛ Samchi hɔ no mu a ɛna wɔ sɛ wode w'ani ɛkyerɛ adentia san sɛ wɔ cement no papa ne ɛbɛboa wo ama project no a woyɛ no atumi agyina ne nan so na abɔ adwuma kyɛ ɛyɛ sɛ wokɔ akɔsi dan no a ɛnɛ nneɛma boa yɛ den nti woyɛ nso ano apre papa prɛko ne ɛbɛsi hɔ afebɔɔ na wo nso watumi anya so mfasoɔ Samchi na akɔkɔfade aba sɛ yɛ blocks ɛna wotwa na wopɛ ɛyɛ cement de ayɛ anaa concrete bi project bi na woyɛ ɛna wopɛ cement de ayɛ a anɔpa yi ahobrɛaseɛ kwan so mekamfo ɛyɛ Samchi Enterprise ɛde ama wo iron rods no yɛtɔn akɛseɛ yɛtɔn adantɛmo ɛne yɛtɔn nketewa ɛnadoa no nso so yɛwɔ akɛseɛ ne nketewa nkyɛnsee a yɛde bɔ dan so nkyɛnsee a wodi kuru wo dan so ma dan na ayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ no ɛno nso so yɛwɔ bi enti wogyina faako na wo nsa aka saa nneɛma wei nyinaa wo mmerɛ ho ɛne nti yɛ na wahyɛ ne nso ɛde ama me Amantra Wache Junction ɛna yɛbutu yɛbɛn Dukes Filling Station no wobɛfrɛ yɛn wɔ 0243 583190 0243 583190 ɛno yɛ number wo ɛbɛfrɛ na afei nkɔmmɔ bi a ɛwɔ hɔ no yɛtumi ahwɛ na yɛdi no kama paa National Senior High School no ɛwɔ Kumase yɛabɛbie yɛn campus no bi ɛwɔ Akyem Ɔdan Nkwanta yɛn ankasa yɛkyerɛ ha na akyirikyafo ɛkyerɛ adeɛ wɔ hɔ no yɛ ɔmo yɛ adwuma ɛwɔ WAEC ɛne nti sɛ ɔka kyerɛ sɛ wei ɛbɛto wodidi agorɔ a asɛm ato ma menkɔ ahoma no so mmra no afei yɛmmra mɛdi ɔmo ho nkɔmmɔ ɛmfa ɛma wo yɛwura Awal Muhammad ɔde sɛn Sakib yo yɛwura Awal Sakib Muhammad ɛyɛ president ɛde ɛma Ghana Electrical Contractors Association yɛne ne nkɔtwetwe nkɔmmɔ pani wote yɛn kan FM so nneɛma akyɛ
good morning
na biribi abɔkɔ deɛ
mpatwɔ me ho yɛ na wo nso
nyame adom yɛn nso yɛ ho yɛ papaapa na wei deɛ yɛn ne kyerɛ sɛ mo se regulations bi ba na mo de anigye asom wadaroma regulations bɛn a
ɛyɛ regulation a ɛba ne importation of used appliances ɛna ɛsa nso ɛba ne importation of substandard electrical products ɛno ɛna Energy Commission de aba and there's a misunderstanding on the kind of regulation and just use products and I say home use products na ɛba ne ɛsa ba ne bibi biara ɛbɛba ɛne yɛn electrical situation ɛwɔ Ghana ɛne ne ɛbɔbra ɛsa ɛbra no
but this particular issue to say home use fridge ɛne ne akaka ho nyinaa no nso no yɛnya ne nteɛ sɛ ne nyinaa no ɔmo de sɛ ban to so ɔmanfo a ɔmo nso so ɛyɛ saa business ya raise issue sɛ yɛde ban to saa home use appliances yi nyinaa so a new ones no yɛ ana ne boɔ den ɔmo yɛ den to
no kra woman say ye gidi say untimi nipa nkwa sika ntimi nto nipa nkwa so what you say ena bibia around you demand and supply the woman say afoforo no the demand for the afoforo ni e wo form say ye nyina ye so emra nim na emra na start say ye tuma nipa bebre na one or import old ones if you know ebekwa edo mo ho be chi new ones ni the more you have people importing new products no ebema competition abem intini bo no beba form amanfo nso de ye finish programs ni beba say minim say we are sure unim say your companies or bit ma for oh your appliances we auto we are the way chow intini na the competition beba system ni mo a ebema nyoma ne bo aba form eba form a ye sure so bia betima to ebi kwa be higher purchase uni sika kwa otimi kwaji na otua na kaka ni adia because the woman say ukokoto home use adia uni guarantee dia apart from say ye adwin say en say bridge ni yeduma no kwa it's not enough and also wakoto microwave also microwave na do we do an shame na etimi ma eduane ne dore a enye enough wo safety very paramount to us nimdie ache say appliance bia no we use ko nanim no na hold in eba form na hold in eba form a esati say a leaky current no kaka bedu level bi na current na ye kese current ni ye kese a apart from say appliance no servo etimi ema wa oduane edu na say eye hye no ebi nso current bi nso ko form enti wo tua for two things power na nka appliance na nka sade eduma no ena power na e ko form no na de ma ne hu kra kese no ne say current na e was e ko form no so system na is properly designed that current na was e ko form enko see the excess echo into one it puts your life in danger or maybe one day na obaby de no wako coverage and as the wako come microwave no when you electric shock no we're losing nkwa and as our maybe fault no at do level be a bit mama o system ni ma dore na adane eja hihie wo ofie ye na ye experience say danyo ma we na etimi all life and our property they are subject to electrical hazard say if the appliances are not in good condition. And the way by an area of we know the difficulty. And Prebiano, and then the shy as electrical. And any na wiring. If you want an appliance, no approach omunim signing to know. A Pibia and answer 6 months again, appliance be almost tested. The one who say air failing, no more touching. Now, unfortunately, you will say, almost touching, and then I the bahati. Because you need emrebia appliance na what our testing now use na hold in say jaman for the bar or turn or plug na ye jaman for and one no omo technology become of friends on tested o ko to home use there what the way they on test over say test ma one boy different over yen test ma faculty o ko plug na bar what the lotto o plug na ma and ye wa say mo repair bi manaye na e ba no repair kra na another challenge comes in. The electrical equipment via over repair odo nsa beka no your test ahodo anka wo say wo ye ansa no wotimi e don say si obo aka say there be appliance we it is safe oh ntino nyama no do safety na yen gina ho enye say energy a consume no ye hu no say a lot of people's life are in danger ejanshishe be braye hu no do na ya as a result of electrical faulty electrical appliances engine memma sebio we hear Emma on phone qua any agro, said the air cannon. Young Falcon be and to my young who said, even though air papa, it will be good for the lifespan. So I said, so we'll repeat the same mistake.
Okay, yate unchurch mu ada ho nti ma yena se ne fancy ha bibia ne ebesa ba wonchen bi mu.
Me ameda se na me che woti afon na so.
Atiefo nso eje wo so. Yane Awal Sakib Muhammad President Edima Ghana Electrical Contractors Association. Ena yene ne kototwen enkomo no ntina biguso a meka eye National Senior High School wo mo ho asem ede a kire National Senior High School se menka nkyerɛ se omo abio ma promo di ato hɔ no mo a wo mo di adesuafo ebe ma omo ho aye ha free ba kokopim 50 adesuafo no ye wakyɛde kama 20% scholarship and ye wode ma wo a e ba chobra be register sisi announce so edison faso ni bi general science, agric science, general art, business, visual art, home economics, yɛkyerɛ no nyinaa bi wɔ national shs ɛno wɔ akyem wɔ dan nkwanta 0540779363 0540779363 and 0244923636 0244923636 ɛyɛ number abɛfrɛ no yɛtumi agye wo so mepakyɛw wo nso so kɔ na ɛmfasoɔ no deɛ ayɛ biburu gyaa fa wo ho kɔkɔ hyɛ mu ebi mami twa me mbra ne ntoa so Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ate Ediba AHENKAN933FM. Mami and baby me. And mama tafusi won't trust me. Say Yameno or my fan. Yet I say my son Kwahumana Sura Free and Concentration commotion in so much live on AHENKAN933.3. May call a Homana so Namini Ni Amuda Kuna Concentration Comoya President African Reform Movement or sign a chief economist to Abene Pa. Now, or tell someone penny a kufuad wa memwe di Ghana fu hammo. Eja otimin kan FM suni Maakye.
Yes.
Me pacho bibia boko de.
Yeah, boko.
Yeah, the radius.
The only problem is that Michi and yeah, very good.
Oh, okay. But
Michi says okay, Michi as that and
you okay. So you can speak the English. We don't have any problem with that.
Okay, beautiful.
All right. Inti yatisa mo chire so mampani akufuado na memu no we di Ghana fu hwammo. I don't know whether something like this I manage FIMO officer.
Yes.
So why would you say that?
But the evidence is very clear. For the first time in the history of Ghana, And probably for the first time in East Africa, a government is asking pensioners to have their haircuts in order to receive or attract and receive a bailout from IMF. We've been to IMF 16 times already. And on no account, on no occasion, did the government of that day, whatever, ask pensioners for a haircut. So this is a different kind of bailout. And we are not going to be bailed out anyway. You're not going to be bailed out with $1 billion a year. That is nothing. The deficit in our budget alone is almost $4 billion. So how can we bail out with $1 billion? It's just a complete joke.
But say, okay, you can make your point before I come in.
You see, because now it's not just that. We are asking for bailout for a debt of almost $500 billion. Okay, and once we are talking about that debt, we are now going for another. We have another deficit of $47 billion, and the IMF has forced the government to sign an agreement not to go and print money from the Bank of Ghana. Last year, we printed 42 billion cedis because the stated deficit in last year's budget was 36 billion. And I told everybody that it's going to be more than 36 billion because the e-levy will collapse. So we ended up printing 42 billion according to Randy Abbey. Now, we are starting this year with 47 billion deficit. Obviously, it's going to be more than 47 billion because, my brother, let me tell you something. In 2021, this government told us that our revenue was 70 billion. In 2023, they are telling us that our revenue will be 144 billion. I have not seen one country in this world in the last 100 years that has been able to double its revenue in 2 years. None, not one. So the 144 billion is a lie. If the 70 billion is true, that's what I'm saying. So now, if your deficit, if your revenue is less than 144, even the 144, you are coming with a deficit of 47 billion. So if your revenue is not 144, your deficit is going to be more than what? 47 billion. It's as simple as that. Where are we going to get the money to? Where are we going to get the money for the shortfall, for the deficit?
I think on this particular one, we've had a conversation on it before, but Mami Mbisa this one, say, who use the management of the economy, as a caveat. Now they conclude, you say, didn't you, a memono are feeling Ghana for completely. It's not unfair because other sectors and so are more actually some success.
No. Like Brooklyn said, is the economy stupid? Everything is the economy stupid. You cannot plan anything in your home outside your income. Can you? Mm-hmm. That's why we don't have health management team. That's why we don't have agriculture management, but we have economic management team. Because that underpins everything. There's a reason why the country has it that way. Economic management team. And there is no other sector that I think they have chalked any success. Which sector?
Oh.
With a debt of $500 billion, tell me one sector. Just one.
Oh, but say you means you overlook the success chalked our education sector.
Yes, what's the success in education? How many schools have you built?
Free senior high school now, almost 1.6 million Ghanaians are benefiting.
No, that is not a success. That is not a success. A government should send its children to school. That is not a success. 1.6 million Ghanaians are not benefiting. That is not actually correct.
Okay, so what about the introduction of the mobile money interoperability? Now you can sit at home whilst you transact business with the banks.
Mobile money portability or whatever you call it is not a creation. It's adaptation of the government. It's adaptation by the government of a technology we did not create.
But well, they would have chosen not to even adopt it if you say that.
But well, It's what you start. It's like telling me that, because I bought a car, I bought a Mercedes-Benz, I'm the maker of Mercedes-Benz. No. Somebody has thought about Mercedes-Benz. Somebody has thought about the engineering, the construction, and the machine has built it, and you have gone to buy it. It's happening all over. We are talking of taking Ghana forward. We are talking of making Ghana a prosperous nation. And a prosperous nation cannot be a nation that within 30 or 14 years has accumulated a debt of $500 billion. That is asking its pensioners for haircut in order to attract bailout from an outside agency. That's no sign of success. Conscience says that we need equality of opportunity. But when 100% of Ghanaians leave their home, 66.4 come to Accra. So there's no equality of opportunity. In other places, everything comes to Accra. Accra has become equal to Ghana. They actually said that 95.7% of domestic tax revenue was collected in only Greater Accra. They collapsed the country.
Okay, I think, sir, this conversation, yabesa ba wonchen, God willing, Monday, na yetimi I expanding a bit. Brain to Adaroma, Yedibisi Hanomo, then Yami Adama Monday, Asaba wonchen bium. Okay,
my brother, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Yeah, that's it, brain. So, Dr. Ni Amuda Akunya, President, African Reform Movement, or science so a chief economist, any no, air quarter and community, almost also the Alma Canono. I feel Brenna, so let's quickly cross over. Na yenko Nigeria, na ehonso so yenko fa Ghana, Nigeria decides. Yemfa enonso so entwaso emao. Ano paying so yenua bema asan beka ensanti yenko ho na fi yenko twetwe enkomo no say ya. Mr. Victor Enwafo, if you can hear me, good morning and welcome to Ghana once again.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. Well done, sir.
Yeah, we are also doing very, very well here. Okay, so yesterday we began this whole thing, and you made us understand that now Nigeria is on fire. People are ready and willing to vote. Today we are going to throw more light. You made mention of 4 major political parties taking the forefront. So we are going to throw more light on the candidates. We will take them one after the other, and those that you have a bit of information, you can help us understand more about them.
Okay. So, like I said yesterday, we have 4 major presidential candidates, and these are what we call the front runners, if I should put it that way. All right. The first one is, of course, the incumbent, being the All Progressive Congress, APC. Their presidential candidate is Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu. All right. He was a former governor of Lagos State, like I said. All right. Between 1999 to 2007. All right. Of course, he was also a senator at some point. Okay. So, and APC coming into government in 2015, that's when President Muhammadu Buhari came into power. He was a major stakeholder in the formation of the party APC. It was more like him and his own party at the time came together with President Muhammadu Buhari's party. They came together, to pool forces to make APC what it is today. So he's one of the, let's just say, the founding fathers of the party APC. All right, so he won the presidential primaries last year almost by a landslide, seconded by, I think, the former Minister of Transportation, Mr. Rotimi Amechi, and then President Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, I think, came third. All right, so the APC is a grounded party. Out of the 36 states in Nigeria, they control 21 states. 21 states. They have 21 governors, let me put it that way. So imagine the reach, you can say they have, controlling 21 states in a federation like Nigeria. That's huge. All right. And they have, of course, they have the majority in the House of Assembly, whether it's in the Senate House or in the House of Reps. They have the majority seats in the House as well. All right. But in terms of their manifesto and what they are trying to, preach to the masses. Remember, they are the ones in power currently. So a lot of people, some are for them, some are against them, based on different issues and, insecurity and all that, banditry, the high level of inflation. People have concerns.
And certainly, not to cut you off, certainly once they are in government, incumbency disadvantages will hit them hard.
Clearly, because it's difficult to campaign, for yourself when people are experiencing, what you are offering already. So the opposition, in a way, have a slight advantage, if I should put it that way, because under President Muhammadu Buhari, a lot of Nigerians, I won't say everybody, there are places you go, they are still in APC's favor. While a lot of Nigerians have serious concerns about their policies and, like the current policy now, which is the CPM policy on changing the Naira. Most ATMs in the country are not dispensing cash. So people are really going through a whole lot in Nigeria right now. Getting cash is a serious problem. Imagine when you have your money in the bank, but you cannot even get the cash because all the old currencies are no more available. The new currency is basically scarce. So people are really concerned about their policies and all that. But the APC is still saying, that Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is saying that if he's given the power, that he will, improve on where President Muhammadu Buhari has failed. All right. He titled his manifesto "Renewed Hope." 2023, and he's saying that he will bring new.
Okay.
Women empowerment, just centralized power, and bring about policy as well. So these are the things he's promising. So it's left to see if Nigerians will really buy into that and support the APC in terms of their presidential ambition.
All right.
And then going to the okay, thank you, sir. I don't know whether you want me to buttress more.
You finish before I come in.
Okay, sir. So going into the PDP, which of course we can call them the main opposition party. All right. Of course, the presidential candidate is the former vice president, Atiku Abubakar. He was the vice president under President Olusegun Obasanjo between 1999 and 2007. All right. So he's more of a household name in the political environment in the country. He's known, especially in the north. All right. But the PDP, his party, they control 14 states. 14. All right. Sometimes they have 14 governors, under their auspices. All right. And of course, they've been doing their best to get back into power, of course, after losing, the seat in 2015 under President Goodluck Jonathan at the time. All right. And their promises are not really out of place. It's just asking that they will give Nigerians, of course, they will improve our democracy, bring about good governance, improve human rights and human dignity, improve in terms of justice, equity, and the rule of law. And they're also telling Nigerians that integrity, will be their watchword if given the chance to come into governance. All right. So they've been campaigning vociferously, but the PDP has a serious problem because one of the major stakeholders in the PDP, which is the governor of Rivers State in the South, Governor Nyesom Wike, he's one of the top. He even came second in the PDP presidential primaries. Him and about 5 governors are more or less backing out of the PDP because he lost his presidential ambition. So we call them the G5. They pulled out, and their support for Mr. Atiku Abubakar is not really there, if I should put it that way. So the PDP, they have their own in-house fighter. So a whole lot is happening in the PDP currently. Whether that will affect them at the polls is left to see. Then going on into Labour Party, of course, which is the new name in everybody's mouth right now in the country, Mr. Peter Obi. All right. He was formerly under the PDP. In fact, he campaigned with Mr. Atiku Abubakar in 2019 as his vice presidential candidate, but he came out under the PDP in 2019. So Mr. Peter Obi, I think last year, he left the PDP, then joined the Labour Party, became the presidential candidate, and he has been campaigning for a new Nigeria. All right. He's been campaigning all over the country. Labour Party, of course, before now, they don't really have that spread like the APC and the PDP. They don't have any member in House of Rep or in National Assembly. But Mr. PDP is saying that the people are his structure. All right. That he believes that Nigerians will buy into his vision, being that he was a former governor of Anambra State, I think between 2006 and 2014. He was a former governor, 2-time governor to be precise. And he did creditably well, based on, the MDG goals and, reports, with respect to his governance. So a lot of youths, I must say, are backing his ambition. I have to say that. And we're hoping, that works for him going forward. And finally, to round up quickly, we have the NMPP. Mr. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso from Kano State, former governor of Kano State at the time. NMPP, also just like the Labour Party, came into the presidential race, recently, and he's been pushing forward for his party. He just basically, he's speaking concerning industrial revolution, that he wants to change Nigeria industrially. Similar to what he's also Peter be saying that Nigeria is a consuming nation, that he wants to bring about production in Nigeria. All right. So we'll keep watching the tide to see who it favors at the end of the day.
Okay. And talking of Peter Obi in particular, you've made us understand that when you go to Nigeria as we speak now, the APC party has 21 governors. Is that the case?
Clearly, yes, sir. And
then the PDP, they also have 17.
14, sir.
14, okay.
14, yes.
Okay. So let's assume the majority or the masses have agreed to vote for Peter Obi. He has to win governors before he will be able to run the country, isn't it? Is he presenting candidate for that positions?
Yes, his party, Labour Party, is basically spearheaded by him. They have candidates for governorship in most states. I won't say all states, all right? He has candidates for governorship, candidates for House of Rep, coming out as well. So the issue is that most Nigerians know that he has a lot of work to do, in terms of reaching out to the nooks and crannies of Nigeria. Like most established parties like APC, they may not need to do much because they have governors, and these governors will ensure that the APC agenda is pushed even to the rural communities. But Peter B, he's not deterred, because from the records, when he was governor of Anambra State, he was governor under a party called APGA, and APGA, that's the only party that still has one state in Nigeria, in Anambra State now, APGA. And he was a governor under APGA, but no APGA member was in the State House of Assembly. So he's a man that is used to being a leader without any support structure. Let me put it that way. So he has done well to campaign in almost all the states of the country. He has really, really done well. A lot of people are backing him, and his backing most times is coming from what we call regional communities, like the Middle Belt, the Northern region, the Southern region. They come together to support him. It may not necessarily be the governors cannot support him because they have a different political ambition, But in the states, we have, groups in each state who are seeing, him as a man, as a visionary, as a man that can actually change, the current trend in the country today. But he has a lot of work to do. But like I said yesterday, the polls that has been done recently, the projections are showing that a whole lot is in his favor.
Okay, so what is the tribal correlation factor? How does it play in the politics of Nigeria? Is it something that you hold dearly, or you can just put two people together and then you present them without looking at their tribal correlations?
Thank you, sir. That's a very important question, because Nigeria is a very diverse nation. We're diverse in tribe, we're diverse in religion. And, religion and tribe and even ethnicity, this has been, more of our being as a nation, because a lot of people vote on those lines. Most Nigerians, our democracy is still maturing. We've not gotten to that point where we really put aside religion. Like the APC now, their presidential candidate, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is a Muslim, Yoruba Muslim. The vice, Kashim Shettima, former governor of Borno State, is also a Muslim. So they brought forward a Muslim candidacy, and most Nigerians were not comfortable with that, because they felt as though the Christians are being sidelined. The PDP, they tried. Atiku Abubakar is a Muslim. His vice governor, Ifeanyi Okowa from Delta State, is a Christian. Peter Obi is a Christian. His vice is a Muslim. So the most parties are trying their best to give everybody a sense of belonging. So Nigerians, I have to say, the truth of the matter is that religion and tribe, these are one of the areas that we look at. But But we are hoping that with P2P's emergence and of course with Kwankwaso coming in as well, that people will begin to look outside religion and tribe and check manifestos, check policies, check parties that have real solutions to our problem. But most Nigerians before now, tribe and religion are mostly things they hold to dear because no region wants to feel as though they are being left out. All right. So they feel that okay, if I vote my tribe, possibly will be taken care of and stuff like that. But our democracy is growing, and I hope that in time we'll grow above that, sir.
Okay. I want us to look at the preparation so far. Is it Independent National Electoral Commission? Is that what you have?
Yes, INEC.
INEC. Okay, so let's look at their preparation so far. Are they really set, geared up, ready to roll out the elections?
Yes, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, that's the president of INEC, Independent National Electoral Commission. He gave a recent interview, on the BBC, which of course he expressed readiness that INEC, of course, over 90% ready. They are currently finalizing logistics because Nigeria has over 170,000 polling units. 170,000, and as you can imagine the enormity of this election. So it's very, very demanding, But the good thing about this election is the fact that they brought in what we call the BVAS. The BVAS is bimodal verification system. It helps to check and make sure that whoever is voting, they will check your identity to be sure that you are the actual person that registered before you vote. All right. So they're currently moving logistics to central bank locations in all the states. So INEC, I must say, they've done a good job. The only concern they have right now is let security agencies improve security in all the nooks and crannies. If that can be done, I believe they will surely do a good job. So far, so good from INEC.
So the introduction of the new currency that has, raised a whole lot of concerns in Nigeria will not affect their timetable.
Clearly, because they had concerns in that regard. In fact, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, the INEC chairman, he had a press release with the CBN governor, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, recently. And of course, they came to an understanding, to make sure that whatever, financial assistance and of course, their budget and everything, whatever they need in terms of cash support, the CBN will back them. All right, while the banks are doing their best to make sure that citizens access cash and all that, from what I'm seeing, the CBN, of course, they know how important these elections are, and they are doing their best to make sure that INEC gets the required support they need in terms of these coming elections.
Someone brought a question of movement. On the day of elections, would you be allowed to have your free movement or you'll be restricted?
Yes, on the day of the elections, generally Nigerians on election day, if any day of elections, movement is actually limited. Of course, if it is not controlled, people with wrong motives can actually take advantage. All right. So what we hope and what we are really crying out for is improved security. Of course, prior to now, we have INEC offices all over the country. Some were even burnt down. People like those who are, we have reports of unknown gunmen, attacking INEC offices, disbanding things there. So there's a lot of security issues INEC is doing their best to recover from. All right. So I believe that once security is improved in every location, as long as your movement is defined, if you are going to vote, no security agency will stop you. I want to believe that. All right. But INEC, again, they've been clamoring. Security agencies, beef up army, the police, civil defense, everybody come together. Let's make this work. So we believe that if security is available, citizens can move around, cast their vote, make sure that their vote count, and results will be announced from INEC headquarters.
Okay. So it's a pleasure talking to you. God willing, we'll do this same next week. Let's thank you for your time with us this morning.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Ofori. Thank you so much for the privilege to be on your platform. Always appreciate this. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. And have a good one.
You too. My regards to all the Ghana people. I love you all. Respect. Thank you.
We also love you so much. All right. So Victor Nwafo, public analyst, 10 years in the country, and Komono. Yabetwa so ewa hano mo edi ama ona fi bribe mo ya ma kwan na nso so wetumi aba mu bi na yede atwa so okay
nkɔmmɔbɔ no ɛnɛ no yɛkɔkɔhwɛ candidate ne nko a candidate ne ɔmo political parties no 4 political parties no ɔkyerɛ sɛ sisi adeɛ ɔmo ahoɔden wɔ soro ɛwɔ Nigeria abato ɔmo to ne nyame yadom a 25th no emu na 25th no yɛhwɛ no na yɛbɛsi Saturday ɔkyerɛ sɛ obiara na mo a ɔmo ne campaign obi ɛyɛ ne deɛ ɔmo te so sisi yɛ no APC foɔ no unkyɛ sɛ wo ti akonnwa no so a nea wobɛka bia na obi amfa o because nea wobɛyɛ bia obi ahu nti ama ɔmo campaign no ɔmo yɛ no ayɛ den but papa no odi ɔmo animu no Tinubu no asɛm ɔka ne sɛ a renew hope na ɔde nam a ɛna wɔka ho asɛm afei PDP foɔ no nso no ɔmo nso so deɛ ɔmo aninamu a wɔmo bɔ aban no yɛ mu a but ɔmo ankasa hɔ no ɔkyerɛ sɛ asomdwe ni party nim nti onim sɛ asomdwe ni party no betumi affect wɔn deɛ a Peter Obi ayɛ no ne yɛ Labour Party no ɔno nso na mu a ɔno deɛ ɔse New Nigeria ɔmo pɛ Nigeria foforɔ ɔno nso de na mu ɛna ɔpani baako no deɛ ɔno no deɛ ne kuayɔ ɛna ɔno nso de na mu a na ɔno nso ka ho asɛm nti obi ɛyɛ ne campaigns a ɛno akyi ɛna yɛbisa sɛ nti sisi yɛ yi no nso no wɔn nhyehyɛ sɛ ne tie yɛn Ghana ha deɛ woyɛ Muslim a ɛwɔ sɛ wofa Christian tribe ne saa nneɛma no religion no yɛn Ghana ha no yɛade ayɛhwɛ paa nti ɔsɔ mo hɔ nso saa ne teɛ sɛ woyɛ Christian a na wafa obi ɔno nso so yɛ Muslim na waka abom na moatumi akɔ na APC Tinubu ɔne ne running mate no ɔmo nyinaa ɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔn yɛ Muslims nti ama asɛ hankrɔfo kakra ɛna PDP no nso no PDP deɛ Atiku ɔno no yɛ Muslim ɛna n'abedi akyire no ɛyɛ Christian Peter Obi ɛyɛ Christian n'abedi akyire yɛ Muslim ɛna the other one nso so ɔno nso ablend ne saa ɛno nso so ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo mfa ni agorɔ Nigeria wɔn amanyɔsɛm emu ɛno akyi ebisa no sɛ ɔmo INEC ɔmo deɛ ne saa ɔmo frɛ no yɛn deɛ ne EC ɔmo deɛ ne INEC wɔn preparation ɔmo ahoboa te sɛn ɔso wɔn aboaboa ɔmo paa na ɔno no bɛyɛ sɛ 90% plus mu hɔ deɛ ɔmo tumi aboaboa ɔmo ho ɔmo wɔ gidi sɛ brɛ ne sɛ ɔmo bɛto aba na ma sumdua aba yɛsan bisa no sɛ yɛate sɛ ɔmo de currency foforɔ de aba ɛno no nkɔnkɔfa nsunsuansoɔ bi ama abatoɔ no ɔmo nhyehyɛeɛ no ɛnsesa ɔsi daabi ɛwɔm sɛ ɛno yɛ concern deɛ but ɔmo deɛ ɔmo gu so ɔmo kyerɛ mpanimfoɔ sɛ ɔmo hwɛ no ɔmo toto nneɛma yɛbisa biom sɛ da yɛto aba no yɛbɛma nkurɔfoɔ kwan ama obiara ne ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ wakɔ akɔyɛ ɔsi ɛno nso so yɛ adeɛ ɛhuhia ɔmo paa na ɛno koraa na ama INEC no aka bambo ɛhu bi pentia bambo mpanimfoɔ hwɛ no ɔmo ma bambo no mu nyɛ den sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ on the day of elections na ɔmo betumi agya nkurɔfoɔ na ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo movement finally ɛna yɛne no ewie ɛna yɛbisa ne sɛ yɛbisa ne deɛ mpo biem ate afa so ɛna ɔno nso akyerɛ mu akyerɛ yɛ kama meyɛ na asana afei mɛma akwan na nso so berɛ mu bi 0201944485 0554820910 nso so berɛ mu na afei yɛnyɛ na yɛnsɔre so ɛne ɛfiada nti yɛnyɛ ne ntɛntɛm 0201944485 0554820910 yɛankasa fiada yɛ a na yɛmmia ahoma ne ntom nti yɛbie na wofrɛ na woamma ntɛm a yɛka nnwom mmiɛnsa gum na yɛyɛ depɛ ne ato pono no mu din wodi ne baabi a ɔkasa firi mebakyɛ yɛntie o
Ghana, it's not the fear, get up and you. Then she'll go up a with me and for me, talk on your answer there. Number the bay of my mouth, a papa down this woman, and upon here, it's going to say, I would be young by Boran, about what a good is giving one studying one. About find now, Rana, the whole man,
that's it. Yeah, that's it. Me patcho nso betumi aba na fe yahwe na ya sore so I don't know so be here nyina ho akọ bike wo sere me patcho odi bia kase free wanti woba eja samo yenti o Maakye Maakye so
mi na pa manti wonu ma sama ntimi nkofo ni se Dr. Foya wo mo ya sanemen aboti memo wo person na ni panu kura yacho na Ghana de yan free some doctor can share yɛni oxygen yɛkɔfiri yɛde abɛɛ adwuma ɛnyɛ fɛ nti ɔmaa no deɛ ayɛ no deɛ agyeago yɛbrɛ sɛ mo sɛ nam nkama
yɛate yɛda ase bebree
nyɛboa ɔtena mɛba wo kurɔmmɔ mɛba yie
yɛate okay nti yɛbɛhwɛ w'anim agya asamoa ɛno no mpakyɛ wo nso wobɛtumi aba no afei ahwɛ na yɛasɔre so 0201944485 wodini baabi a nso kasa free.
Hello. Good morning.
Me pacho lo radio set na me why.
Yo.
Ni entio.
Your friend sister say wa am ka say friend ntumi.
Me pacho entio sister say wa.
Obuoba no pe na wo ka asem bi. Say say ni Nyankopɔn esi efa ye nipa ebe wi ase. Na Obuoba hwe eblo bon. Wo fa bro mo fi amiensa di gu forma. Hwe se be se fifie nya haban. Na ebro dua behim. Na ahaban atan be kata ho. Na ebro ni trinwi asan aba. Ansa na aduane miensa pe na ade sen. Hwe ebro dua no ho ebro baba bezu nti nyame nyuma de. Wo se wo dwen ho a wo nte ase. Anopa wo kan na ya me de pa na mtobo ba ni na fi ebro ana. Hwe ni ebro nso Nyankopɔn ekonya sa ni Nyankopɔn fa so eye ni nyuma no no. Nti nyame ni onyam de da bia se se ye hye na ni onyam ankasa da wasi bebre menti o fa na bibi ya yem efi se aya na edura no pa nsam a wo kan e ma ya were teacher ankasa nti onyame o nsira bebre na ahenkan tim ne de obi firi mo kura na ya me ya se department ne nka adan
owo ho pa
yo
wako leave tintin obeba
me fa show you
no enti yem for frefo bi abiem yes leave is not pension uko leave is not pension enti sa say enso ya bo adwuma eduru bi enso so we say enso ko leave tintin enti uka sin krofo abruchira ye de ko bi enye hwe konya ne ba ye be ko kakra ye kwa ne aye ayi ne a view lady ye no friend say virtual ye be virtual Maakye ori etna ho oh my goodness. Enti, I don't know. Mami fasida enkomfama boafu. Odi ai kan Kwame Yeboa. Adwempa hene Kofi Mensa. Kobi K, Kwame Asante. And a Billy Man. Me ofre me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. Yeramasio, oh, there be too much. A free draw that brother who could ya wonder fiada. Mo cry you na mo fre. Oh, I ain't get here for me too much. Na say the be Americano, Monty ase se mu kan ye ho. Na mo ni ye nam yi. Na Nyankopɔn so kan ye ho. Na oni ye nam yi. E yire so kyere so se den. Oye je Nyankopɔn, oye oba Nyankopɔn. Ahenka tie for Awurade. Ongu manimu ase da. Ni ekoye owo ye number friend boy abaso ni anko ye twa agency so ti ase nipa na efum nipa na de che. Nyankopɔ ya adom a ye be hia Monday. Ye kodi weekend ye hwe ahusu ye. Na Kristo nya ya adom. Good morning.